Yo, what is up, guys? We're back. YouTube decided to kick us off, but not to worry, we're back. Guys, I'm not sure why the stream decided to end. I have no clue why. We had 20 people watching us. We were discussing XLM, but YouTube decided to kick us off. Not to worry, we're back. Guys, not gonna lie, this is the second time XLM has been rejected from the magical 28 cent resistance level. Let me turn on the audio one sec. Okay, hopefully that's a bit better. Essentially, XLM has been rejected twice. And what did I say about this rejection? This was a very key rejection. And now, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Because at the moment, if XLM does something like this, then we'll be in a bit of a trouble, because what I need to do is, once XLM gets rejected twice here, right, the double top, right, it's from the double top of rejection. I think next what will happen is we'll probably see something like XLM coming all the way down and test this trend line, this upper trend line, and this will be the make or break moment. And that can lead to these possibilities happening here. I think in the current stage, possibility number 2 or 3 is more likely in this scenario, because I don't think we'll be able to get on top of this 28 cent resistance level, because we've tried twice and we failed. Guys, the thing is, right, I can't make a video on XLM at the moment. I can't. It's so frustrating, because as soon as I make the video, after 1 hour it's going to be obsolete. XLM will be somewhere else. And I tried making a video today, and literally in 1 hour literally someone commented and he was like, looks like XLM broke out, your analysis is wrong. Well, yeah, so I don't think I'll be making, I think these live streams are a lot better, because it's all live, you guys are here, we can talk about it. We might be surprised. Yeah, I mean, XLM, I can't predict XLM. It's got a mind of its own. But currently it's been rejected twice, so I'm a bit bearish on it. But let's see, let me just remove this. XLM to the moon, guys. Okay, we're finally getting all the numbers back. We're getting the viewers back. Guys, we were having such a good discussion on XLM. Literally, it was lit, but it's fine. I think it might be better if I go in the 1 minute candle. Okay, this is nice. Okay guys, we're getting the viewers back. What's up Cam? What are you saying? I need to get everything on the screen so you guys can see. I guess I'll just draw these again. Guys, I'm just setting it up so you guys can see. Okay, nice. Let me put the text back on. Alright, we got 10 people back. It's blurry. Is it blurry? Wait, let me zoom in. Wait, maybe try, I should be streaming in 1080p, 60 FPS. Try and see if you got that set up. Because I think normally YouTube is default is like 480p. Alright guys, that's looking quite good. The way it broke out that bull flag, yeah. Honestly guys, when we were, let me zoom off a little bit, right, because we're talking. Guys, honestly, when XLM was moving in this zone, I honestly thought it was it, we were going down, we were going to break this triangle, but we actually broke out, and we broke out crazy. Like, that movement was like a 6% movement in just a few minutes. Alright, that's looking good. Guys, I'm really interested to see what happens. Yo, we got 12 people back. Great. I just hope the people who were talking before and everything, because I remember someone asked me a question, I was about to answer it and then the stream just shut up. So don't know what happened. Yeah guys, like I said, whoever joined now, I can't make any XLM videos right now because as soon as I make the videos, they're going to be obsolete in like an hour. So the best thing we can do is just do a live stream, just do it live. Because literally I had people commenting saying, oh, it already broke out, isn't this analysis wrong? Well, in the video I gave both of the possibilities which could happen, but people literally watched half the video and heard me say that XLM is going to go down and then started commenting. So I just privated the video because it wasn't worth putting it up because it was already obsolete. But currently we're in a new situation right now where we're testing this new 28 cent resistance level. And if you guys want me to go into more in depth on why this is such a key resistance level, let me know. If you don't know, then let me know, then I'll explain it a bit. But if you guys already know why it is, then that's fine. Bitcoin broke 33k. Wow. See, I'm very surprised, right? Because XLM and Bitcoin move together, but we are seeing this green candle now. So maybe XLM is a bit behind. That green candle there. See, Bitcoin, the thing about Bitcoin, guys, is it has a tendency to have false breakouts, right? So you guys can see here it broke out, then it went back down. Like, I don't think supports and resistances mean a lot for Bitcoin, because look at this, it broke out and then it's back down again. So even with this could easily be a false breakout, but we'll see. How can XLM go broke 28 cent? Alright guys, what I'll do, right, I'll wait for everyone to come back from the old stream, and then I'll explain everything that I did earlier so you guys know what we're looking for at the moment. And let me know if the music is very loud, I can turn it down. XLM has been moving late, yeah, so it might be a sign that XLM might be coming out and testing this 28 cent resistance level again, since Bitcoin is making a parabolic move right now. Alright guys, I think we got 17 people now. I think most of the people from the last stream are back. Alright, so let me just explain what we're looking for, right? Let me go in the 15-minute chart. Oh, that text is going to look very bad, but what I'll do is I'll hide it because it's looking very, very bad. I just can't be asked to draw these lines again. Okay, finally. Okay, let's zoom out. Right, so most of you guys probably weren't able to watch my last video that I made. I made it today, and it was about this triangle formation here. Okay, and what I had to do was private the video after just 2 hours. It was blowing up, but the analysis was literally obsolete because XLM decided to break out. Now, what I said in that video was that XLM, since its very large breakout on the 7th of January, all right, it's been forming a triangle, as you guys can see here. And essentially, if you look at this crash here, and if we draw these lines here, we can see that a triangle pattern is forming. Okay, now if I go in the 5-year chart and compare this with the data from 2018, okay, now this is why these resistance levels are so important. Okay, so if I look at this 27, is that right? The price is actually blocking it. Wait. Okay, we'll just say 22 cents for now, right? So essentially, when XLM goes below 22 cents, we basically, I call it the danger zone, okay? Because it's a key indicator that if we're going below this level, we only have one major support left, which is on 19 cents, okay? And essentially, I hate XLM being here because we're constantly relying on this one support. So when XLM decided to break through this 22 cent level, I think this was yesterday, it's been basically floating in this area right here. Okay, it's been floating here for a bit, and what I wanted to do was actually make a video telling you guys about what can happen now. And I knew that I would get a lot of dislikes. I knew a lot of people would probably leave comments saying, you know, XLM is going to go to the moon, why are you saying this? And essentially what I wanted to do was just let you guys know in case it happens, so you guys are prepared. All right, I don't want to be one of those channels where we're just pumping up coins even though we know secretly that it's going to go down and then it's going to make a move up. So I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. And unfortunately, you know, people just decided to dislike the video, which is, you know, fine. I don't really care about likes and dislikes anyways. I'd rather give you guys the information. But let's just get back into this. So what I said was that this 19 cent level is very important, because if you look in the past, this support level has supported us here, all this time here, and the one time we decided to break this support level, it led to a major bear trend, and we were floating below this 12 cent level, right, for ages. And then, you know, when we finally decided to break through this level in 2020 December, you know, it still again helped us stay afloat. So this is a very major, according to history, right? According to history, this is a very major support level. And if you break the support level, you know, it's a very, very, what's the right word? It's a very unsure time about XLM. Now, let me go back in the chart, right? Thanks, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay. So what happened was, right, 2 hours after I uploaded the video, okay, what happened was that XLM had this parabolic move upwards, and it completely shattered this triangle formation, okay, completely shattered this formation. And what happened was it actually made the analysis obsolete, because now we understood, because what I said in the video was either, you know, XLM can do something like this, break this triangle, and then test this major 22 cent support level. Okay, now the problem here was that as soon as we go below 22 cents, okay, we become in this very, very danger zone here, because now we only have this major 19 cent level left. Okay, we don't have any more supports left, like major supports. So I said, guys, if we break through this and we're floating here, then this is a very, very like dangerous time for XLM holders, okay, because if we break through this 19 cent level, our next major support is all the way down to this 12 cent area. Okay, so this 12 cent area and this 19-cent area, this, that, guys, that's a very big jump. Okay, that's almost, let me just guys, that's 34%. Okay, that's 34%. So I'm not saying it's going to go completely like this. It might, you know, decide to find a new resistance, but that's what we're just looking at. We're just looking at the major support and resistance levels. Okay, now basically XLM has, what is done now is broken through it, so we can scrap all of this, we can delete all of this. Let me just delete this. Okay, now we're in a position, right? We're in a position where we would like to break this 28 cent level resistance. Why is that? Because if we actually break through this, we are breaking this triangle that we're forming, we're breaking out of it. And also, if you look at this, right, this 28 cent support level, well, currently it's a resistance level, right? But currently, if we break through it, this 28 cent support level is absolutely crazy, right? Because if you see from the start of 6th of January, right, if you look at the start of 6th January, it's helped us out here. Okay, it failed once, but we had this major support level, that's fine. It helped us here. Okay, helped us out here, and then it acted as a resistance. It's been acting as a resistance for all this time, right? And if we can get on top of this now, we'll be sitting good. But now the problem is, right, now we're coming into where we are right now. Okay, this is the big problem right here, because it's all well and good breaking out of this triangle and testing, but now what XLM has done, it has been rejected twice from this 28 cent support resistance level. Okay, let me just delete that. So now what we're thinking right now, this is a very bearish sign, okay, because realistically we would like to do something like this, right? At least get in front of the 28 cent level and just float here for a bit, because I'm comfortable at XLM being at this price, okay? Because I know there's a long way to go, and it's a good sign for XLM, right? What time frame is that? This is the 30-minute time frame. Coinbase, Kraken XLM USD. Okay. So what happened was, right, guys, is my stream still running? Wait, I'll wait for you guys to reply. Okay, I don't know why it says I have 0 viewers right now. Fine. Okay, no worries, I'll continue. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, so essentially, right, the problem is right now that we tested this twice. Now, what is the action plan now? Okay, this is no financial advice, this is my opinion, this is what I think might happen. It might be absolutely wrong. So I got 27 viewers. Okay, great, guys, very nice. We're back on track. Okay, now the action plan at the moment is, in my opinion, that I want XLM Stellar to have another go and test this 28 cent level resistance. Okay, I want it to have another go. However, this might not be a possibility because we've already been rejected twice. Now I might see XLM go all the way down here and test this major trend, upper trend triangle here. Okay, now essentially this will be a make or break situation, because if we, okay, one thing I need to add, right, a lot of the times, right, what happens is that we see a breakout, right, we see a very large breakout and we're like, okay, XLM is going good, or whatever currency that has broken out is doing great, but it actually breaks out before, most of the time, before a very large dump. Okay, so this is why I was a bit scared, because when XLM actually broke out, I was a bit scared that it might be a fake breakout like how Bitcoin does all the time, and it might decide to go all the way down here. Now this might still be a possibility because I've actually put it on there, but we will know for sure, in my opinion, after we test this upper trend level here. Okay, now if we break through this, okay, let me just delete all these. So if we go down here, right, and we test this a few times, and if we break through it, this will be a very dangerous territory here, because we will be coming closer and closer to this 22-cent level. Now let me get the tools. Okay, now of course we have the lower boundary of this triangle, which has helped us 3 times here. Okay, so if we break through this, now this is will be coming in the very, very dangerous zone, where I don't want XLM anywhere near, because this is where we see a lot of panic sellers. We see people thinking XLM is going to go to 0. We see people just saying, yeah, XLM was a trash coin and that's it, it's over. And that's when you see the very, very big large candles, because people are like, okay, there's one major resistance left. XLM is going to go all the way down to 12 cents. Okay, now this is where the FOMO, everything comes in, right? This is, I don't want to be here because all of that comes into play here, but essentially that is a possibility, and then we can go all the way down to around 7 cents, right? This is now another thing which can happen is that XLM decides to test it, and then it does this move here where it comes to the end of the triangle formation and decides to absolutely blow out. Okay, now that is a possibility, because if you go in the past, okay, if you go in the past, we can see that there's a similar movement happening here where XLM broke out, right, tested this zone twice, whatever this resistance level was. Okay, and then what happened was it started going on a downtrend, and then here was when the Ukraine news came out, and look at the shot, it absolutely shot up. Now what we need is either another news like Ukraine come in, which will absolutely get rid of all these analysis, all of that. It'll just absolutely flush it out the water, yeah. But XLM does have the tendencies to have a lot of like do stuff like this essentially, because if you look at here, it made a major crash and it made a whole reversal up here. So at the end of the day, right, this is what has led me to the 3 possibilities which I marked, and now we're back to the current live time. Right now we know that XLM can do 3 things. Okay, let me go back in the 3 minute, actually let me go back in the 5 minute. Wow, look at this, guys. XLM is actually on its way to test the 28 cent again. Very exciting times, guys. See, as you guys can see, this is one major rejection. Second, we almost broke through it, but essentially we came back. Now this will be a very important thing. Okay, I want XLM to do something like this, but if we actually get rejected, then we'll see something like this. Okay, let me read the chat. Where will this go this year? I mean, long term wise, in my opinion, it's going to around 50 cent minimum by the end of the year, but it's probably going to be more than that. Surely it has to. The amount of partnerships which are happening, the amount of like the amount of things that it's doing. If you saw the quarterly review, they're looking into smart contracts, all of that stuff. I think, you know, XLM has a very bright future, so I don't think in the long term we should really worry about this. Is just for people who are like, because I get a lot of people who ask me what's XLM doing right now. I didn't even really look at the price that much before I started this YouTube channel, because I was just in it for the long term, right? But then since I started this YouTube channel, a lot of people are coming and saying, okay, what's happening with the price? So now I, you know, monitor it a bit more and see what's going on. But guys, this move is looking a bit crazy. I'm very excited to find out what happens here. This will be a very, very crazy moment if it decides to break out, but it might be a false breakout, guys. Don't get too hyped. But if we get over this 28 cent resistance level, that'll be very good. Now if you guys can see here that Bitcoin is having a very crazy movement right here, so that might be actually the cause of the XLM movement. And of course I think this might be because of the whole GME and Robinhood and all that sort of stuff going on, where, you know, people want an uprise and everything like that. People just moving their money to crypto, but where they know it's decentralized, and they know that decentralization is the future. And I think people are just moving their money in crypto. That's why probably, if you look at the CoinMarketCap website, let me just refresh it. We can see that it's the CoinMarketCap is almost back to a trillion, right? And we can see that we're basically swimming in a sea of green here. Dogecoin, of course, made a crazy movement. We all know that. 200% in 24 hours, guys. Come on, that is absolutely crazy. The thing is, I kind of knew that Dogecoin would absolutely blow up, because I was monitoring the GME situation and the fight against, you know, the banks and you know, Wall Street, Reddit, and I knew that people, if it becomes south, you know, people, all these banks and all these like trading channels, they decide to shut down the trading of all these stocks to control the volatility. I think a lot of people would turn to crypto, and Dogecoin is one of those like meme coins where, you know, it's just like a show of decentralization and how like no one can stop Dogecoin because it's decentralized and all that sort of stuff. So people, it was pretty obvious that people would just pump money into this, which happened. The thing is, I was monitoring this and I saw it go 50% up, and you guys already know I don't chase green candles, right? So what I did was I just stayed out. I was like, it's too late for me to get in. It's up for 50%, but you never know with crypto, right? I've lost a lot of money chasing green candles, and then I'm just sitting with someone else's bag when they decide to sell on me. So I didn't get into this. Like, no one knew it would go up 218%, right? When you see a 50% increase, you're like, okay, maximum 70%, nothing more than that. But then you see these types of moves and like no one knows. Guys, we have 31 people, 29 people watching. Great. The volume of XLM is up 65%. Let's have a look. Wow. Guys, I remember this volume was sitting around 700. Now it's almost double, because I remember I made the video like a few days ago and the volume was not that high, but it's good to see some action for XLM. Okay, I hear you guys, I hear you. I'm gonna switch back to this XLM chart. Okay, let me read the chat. Okay, so till 5 you have to keep 22 cents. Essentially that is our danger point, right? I would love to be above 22 cents, because then it gets dangerous. After that, hope that we moon. Yes, that's the plan. What we need is 220%. Guys, you know what I always say, right? I wish I had two chats open, but I have to zoom out. Essentially, I'll just tell you guys, we're around we're around 80% up since the 1st of January still, even though we've seen this big decrease in price. We're still 80% up in a month. That is crazy. Does major crashes also correspond with the BTC correction dumpster? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. That's why you can't fully 100% trust them. I think Doge will still pump. The thing is, right? Wait. I don't want to switch the tab because this is a critical moment. I'll just do it for a few seconds, right? what I noticed, I made a Dogecoin video, right? And essentially what I showed in that video was that Dogecoin is actually making higher support levels, right? So let's wait for the chart to load. So it's making higher highs. For example, after a major, let's turn this off. Okay, so you see how let's go here. You guys see how it's making higher highs. So it's currently, guys, I think XLM is making moves. Sorry, I'll show you the Dogecoin thing in a while, right? I'm gonna show you the Dogecoin thing in a while because I don't want people to miss out on this chart, but I'll show you guys in a bit. I don't think it'll hit $1 this soon, but I would love for that to happen. Yeah, same. Please keep doing streams like this. Yeah, I think going in the future, I think I'll have to, for these types of moments, I'll have to do streams because if I make a video on it, it'll be obsolete in just a few minutes. So I think these live streams are quite good. I don't know. I don't know about Dogecoin. I am very scared on Dogecoin, but you never know. Scared money doesn't make money, right? But what I was saying was like Dogecoin is making higher highs, right? So if you see this, it's making higher highs, and then higher high again. So hopefully this trend continues. Is Harmony, what's the difference between Harmony and Ethereum X? Doge gonna dump soon? I think normally we see like big corrections for Doge after it has this moment, but it has so much potential to absolutely give you crazy gains. Because imagine if you bought Dogecoin here, right, and you thought it would, like, this is almost the same, right, and you thought you bought it here and you think, oh yeah, it's gonna go to 5p, and then you're sitting at this level for like 2 years. Like that's the risk in it, because we're already almost at the same position on the all-time high, but now we're sitting with a bigger market cap, so you never know. I think Stellar is going down. It's got a reversal pattern going on. Yeah, and also this double rejection right here for the 28 cent. Higher risk gets higher rewards. Exactly, that's the thing. I wish I saw the Reddit movement last night. Yeah, I can't believe it. I actually, like, I literally knew, like, I had a sixth sense that Dogecoin was about to blow up if GME, they decide to halt trading on GME, which they did. And I should have just been quick and literally made an investment right there and then. I would be up like 200% right now. I would probably take profits like halfway, but still, but the thing is, right, there's always the next trade. So if you miss out on that you shouldn't really worry about it, because there's always going to be that next trade. So Bitcoin is making a crazy move, almost 33.5 here. Oh, guys, let's not get too carried away. This is a bit premature, but let's see. Third time the charm. We did this before as well, but then we decided to come back. Let's see. Interesting times. This is the 5-minute chart, guys. What do I think of VeChain? I was actually in VeChain in 2017 because I really liked VeChain. If I'm right, it was something about like logistics or something like that, right? And I quite like the concept. I still have some VeChain. I kind of forgot about it after 2017. 20k bag of VeChain. Nice. I think long term, definitely, in my opinion, it will be a very good thing. Guys, here we go. Now we're up. Now we see the next candle where it goes. See, Matty G, that's why I always give both sides of the coin. I never say that XLM is going to go down. I never say XLM is going to go up. I tell you guys what may happen or what is more likely to happen, and then we just let the market tell us what happens, right? Okay, I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is the best we've done so far. Gabriel, like, you keep on talking about you must have like a very large bag, because I remember in the last live stream you were talking about a very big bag that you had on another currency. Like, you're actually all set. Guys, we're making some moves here. We're making some moves with 30 people in the stream. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Would really help the channel out, which we're on 600 subscribers now. That's crazy. We were on 500 yesterday, I think. But yeah, we're growing at a good pace. Very nice. We broke it. I don't want it to be a false breakout. As much as I'm happy that it broke, I need to see more volume here as well. And I don't want it to be a false breakout, which goes something like this, because this scenario is a possibility as well. These are the different things. Alright guys, let me know when you want me to go in the... I think this 5-minute chart is quite good for live streams because it's like quickly updating. Yo, everyone's getting hype in the chat. Yo, let's go. Take this. Yeah, Baby Shark, I was talking about this. I don't think you were in the live stream earlier, right? But I was talking about creating a Discord group, because now we have a lot of people, and I think I asked this question and a lot of people were down to make a Discord group. So essentially, just let me know how you want to set it up, because I don't have much clue on how to set Discord up. Everything better subscribe. Everyone better subscribe. He's taking his time for free knowledge. It only takes 1 second. There we go. That's what I like to see. Thank you. I mean, I enjoy talking to you guys about XLM. I don't think there's a very big XLM community. Like, the reason why I made this channel was because not many people covered XLM, so I just decided to make my own channel. Check out the Doge chart versus XLM chart. Yeah, I can do that. I just wanna... How would I put it side by side? Let me see. They almost mirror each other. Alright, calm. After this, little movement, I'll compare it with XLM with Doge and see what's up. I think the Ethereum and Cardano chart is absolutely crazy. They're literally identical, I think. Guys, with 12 likes, thank you for the 12 likes. 30 people watching, let's go. That's our all-time high record. We broke through a major resistance level at 30 viewers, guys. Congrats. In previous Doge pumps back in July and in January, XLM pumped right after both times. Wow, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. Baby Shark, okay, you've got it set up right. If you go in my channel info, right, about section of my channel, I'll have my email address. I have my email address on that. Just email me and then let's talk about it, and then we'll set it up. I think it's going to drop again and go back for February USDC launch. Yeah, it might, you know, it might be to flush out old people out, basically dump the price. Everyone, big institutions get at a low price and pump this up to the moon. People panic sell. I mean, that's what normally happens, guys. That's what I think, at least. I put $100 on XLM an hour ago. I don't know if it's going to end up well, but let's hope. Playing the scary game here, but essentially, if you got it in this area right here, you're sitting pretty good at the moment. When we're on 28 cents, guys, this is quite good. We've broke through. I think we have successfully broke through it. What now? I'm gonna be bullish with you with your channel. Let's go, guys. We're going to the moon. You know why I called my channel Moon Fund? Because we're funding our bags to go to the moon. Yes, that was the slogan. That's why I called it Moon Fund, because we're funding ourselves to go to the moon. In my brain, I just thought that was a very clever thing. Stellar Lumens group, Facebook group. Nice. Thanks for the share. I really appreciate it. Price prediction on XLM by the end of this year, in my opinion, minimum 60 cents. If we maintain the track of partnerships, we maintain this bull run. But I think, I don't know, guys, it's very speculative. I'll probably say around 50 cents, and that's like the minimum. It might even be $1. So I wanted to drop to 23 cents again. I'm gonna drop another 1500. You're crazy, man's gonna drop 1500 on 23 cents. Oh yeah, Gabriel, I remember you bought in at 6 cents. Imagine. Oh my god. We're gonna test 30 cents. Okay, guys, now let's update our plan. See, this is what I meant why I can't make videos on XLM, right? I can't, because now imagine if I made this video on the double rejection of this 28 cent, and then literally like half an hour later people would be coming in my comment section and saying, what is this, like, why are you hating on XLM? It broke through. You like, why are you lying? And I just wouldn't have to. I just can't deal with that, guys. I just have to do a live stream. Nice channel. Oh, thank you so much. Shadow Stack. Yo, like, I watched his channel, right? And I was thinking, why do I sound just like this guy? The thing is, right, when I speak exactly like him. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why I sound like just like that guy. Between $60 and $3, yeah, I think that would be a good zone. We're going to test 30 cents now. Let's have a look. I'll go into this in just a few moments. Guys, 37 viewers watching this. Crazy. Let's go. Let me read. I have 3k XLM is enough. I mean, the thing is, right, only invest what you can afford to lose, right? I mean, even if it's a little bit, and if you're just happy losing that money, there's no financial advice, but if you're happy losing that money, that's fine. When I invest, I just think of the money I've invested is I'd never had it in the first place. So when I see my portfolio bleed or go down, I just don't care, because in my opinion, in my eyes, that money never existed for me. So, and it helps you control your emotions as well. Okay, guys, this is actually crazy. I can't even keep up with the chat. Like, I never thought this would be possible. Like, this is crazy. Bought 40k XLM, wait 5 years, it gets to 25 easy million. Guys, I'm looking at a green candle here. See, this is the moment of truth, right? Because now we wait. This is why I didn't want to get happy too early, because as you guys can see from the drawings I did, you know, it's good to have this large increase, but we can always go down and have a fake breakout. But we'll see. Hopefully that does not happen. Hopefully now we do something like move sideways for this list. That's number 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I picked this one, guys. Hopefully. Okay. I had bought 14k lumens at 8 euro. 8. What do you call the cent version of euros? 0.08 euros. That is absolutely crazy. What a crazy buy. 40 people watching this, guys. Absolutely. Oh my days. I can't believe it, guys. 40 broke through a major support level at 40 viewers. That's crazy, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content on XLM. We're building a really good community here, so make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Okay. I have about 50 to 100 in about 8 cents. Guys, you have great buy-ins. Like, I'm actually surprised. Like, a lot of you guys have absolutely great buy-ins. That's great to see. Yo, I am Rebug is like my personal promoter in the chat. Let's go. I might as well just make you a mod. Just don't I don't know. If I make you a mod, what happens? Can you like end the stream? Okay. People are selling. Yeah. Weak hands, guys. We need to see what Bitcoin does around that major resistance when it gets to the top line of the triangle. Guys, Bitcoin is on a run here. But as you guys can see here, right, you see that Bitcoin decided to stop going up and then XLM did the same thing. It's actually crazy. Like, you see one red candle here, you see one red. Okay. Yeah. See, this is why I just want XLM to decouple from Bitcoin, because like we're so dependent on what it does, like to a crazy level. Guys, we're turning that red candle into a green candle. Hopefully that closes as a green candle. How long do we have till this candle shuts? Okay, we got 1 minute till this candle shuts. If you shut as a green candle, that's a very good sign. Moon fun to the moon. Let's go, guys. To the moon. To the moon. I don't know why I do that in my intros. I don't know why I do that. USDC should push XLM to the moon if transaction volume is anything to go by. Yeah, that's another thing. See guys, this is what I like to see. A lot of volume here, a lot of green volume here, which is great. Guys, we got, honestly, that's why I say, I think in my opinion, the more the transactions, the more the adoption, that's just going to push XLM's price up. So I think the USDC coming onto XLM, that should be very, very big. But if you guys remember, XLM was like #1 in the transactions in the whole crypto market. It was above Bitcoin, above Ethereum. So, and the popularity rating was like 20 out of 100. Okay guys, I'm just catching up with the chat. Let's see. Guys, can we get to 20 likes? We got 40 people watching. If you can get to 20 likes, that would be absolutely crazy. Anyways, I bought in at an average of 25 cents. The thing is, right, in long term, it doesn't really matter, because you'll be hopefully, in my opinion, I think we'll be sitting at 50 cent minimum by end of the year. So you'll probably like potentially double your money. Alright, I'll make you a mod, right? Let's see what happens. What happens if I make you my mod? Imagine if the stream just gets ended as soon as I make... Don't ban anyone. Don't ban anyone, like... We'll see, okay. It's good for short term, still great for long term. Yeah, I agree. Guys, when 24 likes, I asked for 20, you gave me 24. That's what I like to see. Okay. Can I have a look at VeChain? Yeah, sure. I will do that. I will. I can help set up the Discord server. Thank you very much. I bought in mostly around 23 cents and I'm loving my profit returns already. I want to see 23 cents again. Are we at the #1? That's a very good question. Are we at the #1 scenario? Okay. Now, one thing is, it's not your guys' fault. This was my fault. When I did that, this is what I meant by that #1 scenario, right? Because XLM can easily do something like this, right? So these were just estimations, right? Now it's obviously a lot higher than what we thought would happen, but we'll need to, you know, wait a little bit and see. Let me just redraw these lines again. But guys, it's looking good. It's probably 1.5. There you go. XLM has a mind of its own. 1.5. Right in the middle of #1 and 2. Okay, I'll redraw these lines in just a few moments. Doge's only had like 100 in it for past 3 months. Yeah, I think that's one of those coins where I should have just put just something in, because it's just like it's such a fun coin, because you'll see mad returns. I mean, it might go to 0, but the upside is crazy. Imagine first week of Feb XLM $1 to $2. Oh man, I would. Guys, I don't care if I'm sleeping. I don't care if it's like 5 a.m. If XLM decides to have a crazy run, I'll come here and I'll do a live stream with you guys, and we'll have a good time doing that. That would be a crazy moment. Okay, XLM pumping. Yes, it is. Look at this large green candle, guys. This is crazy. Thanks, I'm Rebug. I think this is quite a good chat. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think you might have much work to do here. Just don't ban anyone. I don't care what they say. Just don't ban anyone. Other than that, you just enjoy the new badge you have. Okay, yeah, Baby Shark, I need to make you a moderator because you're my Discord creator as well. There you go. Stella has been great today. Guys, is my live stream that... My live stream has such a delay, it's actually crazy. Stella has been a steady top gainer for me. Yeah, the thing is, if you got in Stella at the right time, right, then it's an absolutely crazy coin for you. Like, well done for getting it at a good price. If you got in at a good price. Obviously, if you got in like 30 cents, then you're probably hating XLM right now. But for the people who got in when it was absolutely before the Ukraine news, basically, they're sitting very, very nice. Thanks a lot, no worries. Great analysis. Not see, that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. Like, there's so many time wasters on YouTube. I just wanted to make a channel, right, where I just give you guys the information as fast as possible, as quick as possible, without any fluff, nothing. It's like, because when I used to come on YouTube, I had to skip 3 minutes of videos just to get to the main bit, and then midway through there's a new sponsor that I have to like watch. So I was thinking, I'll just make a YouTube channel without any of this fluff, and it's like give you guys the information, because guys, I know the more watch time you have, the more, like, I think YouTube likes. But at the end of the day, I'd rather keep my content shorter, to the point, rather than try and make it long so that my watch time goes up. Because at the end of the day, I don't really care that much. I'd rather just make a channel which I would have wanted. Okay, let's go. That's why I was telling you, make the line higher. Yes, should have listened to you. Okay guys, these are our scenarios, right? Currently we're going at number 1, but I think honestly I might see a transition to number 2, and then hopefully we can scratch this. Hopefully. Guys, we're on 61 concurrent viewers. No way. Guys, if you're tuning in the stream, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, because more XLM content is on the way. And if you could just like and it really helps me out, guys. Thank you so much for 60 concurrent viewers. This is absolutely crazy. If Doge full hour chart is an indication of what XLM is going to do, we might be getting a moonshot within the next day. Damn. I mean, you said, right, that XLM has major moves when Dogecoin pumps. Now, this is actually putting the theory in like practice. So hopefully, I'll be monitoring this. Hopefully. And then if it actually comes through, then I'll be comparing XLM with Dogecoin a lot. It's insane how Wall Street yeah, that's crazy. That's been so entertaining. These past few days have been so entertaining, watching that whole Reddit thing happen and people moving to crypto, the small guy versus the big banks. It's been a movie. It's been crazy. Like, people have made so much money. Like, literally, it's mad. Like, you wouldn't think that would happen. Yeah, guys, not gonna lie, it's actually this community is quite good. Like, you get the one-off people who come in your stream, try promoting other coins, and coming in the comments and saying these YouTubers don't know anything, they're just making videos. But the funny thing was that the person who commented that, it was on a news video. So how could I make up a news video on XLM? Like, it just didn't make any sense. Like, and then someone said, all these YouTubers make pumping videos. Well, we're in a bull run. Like, what do you expect? Of course, different altcoins are going to pump. But anyways, Let's get back into the chat. I go into XLM in March for 3 cents. Wow, that's what you call an entry. That is what you call an entry, and that's my biggest regret, not getting in March. If I knew what I knew now, literally, the moves I would make, it would be absolutely crazy. I would. Let's not even talk about it, because I'll just get depressed, because literally the moves I could make if I knew what I knew now. Okay guys, XLM is making moves. A bit very on this red candle, but you guys see how big this red candle is now. We wait and see what happens, guys. We wait and see, but I think the bulls are out, guys. We're going to 29 cents. This is my guess. I wouldn't be surprised at that, actually. 29 cents. Now, guys, what I'm gonna do, just in a few moments, I'll zoom out. We'll look at the different resistance and support levels, and then we'll see what happens. Henry Joe, what are you saying? What's up, man? Kyle, who been waiting too long for this one? Yes, haven't we all? XLM has seen very, very dull days. Like, it's been boring to watch the chart for XLM. Finally, we get some action here. Finally, we're getting some action, guys. Look at this. From all the way here, if we just 23% from our bottom here. Okay, let me go back in the chat, guys. I never thought, right, that I would be live streaming to 60 people and not being able to keep up with chat. This is crazy. But anyways, I like these live sessions. Keep it up. Yeah, I think, not gonna lie, guys, I actually prefer these live streams. Like, I'm actually tempted to transition to doing like 2 YouTube videos and then the rest just live streams, because I think this is much more valuable to you guys. Because only for like news related I'll make it like videos, but like price and stuff like that, I think it might be better to just do live streams. But let me know what you guys think. Yeah, everyone here owns XLM. 60 people own XLM here. Our combined portfolio must be crazy. I don't want to talk about doing a group buy, guys. I don't want to get banned off YouTube. Imagine. We could do a decent group buy, not gonna lie, but let's not talk about that. I don't want to get in trouble. I purchased GameStop at 88, sold at 340. Oh my days, that is crazy. Making moves here. Do you know why you decided 340 was the number you wanted to cash out? I'm really interested to see why you cashed out at 340. Alright, Luke says 34k incoming. Yeah, the thing is, right, let's zoom out. On my thing, with Bitcoin, the supports vary a lot, right? So I have mine set at around 34.2, which is around 34k anyways. Yeah, there's a major resistance coming up. I'll be interested to see what happens here. I went heavy on Uni last time because I'm shutting down exchanges. Yeah. Insane though is how Robinhood and all them other platforms are literally delisting. Yo, that, see, I was shocked at that. I was very shocked at how these exchanges were literally just shutting them down. Like, that is wild. I never thought Robinhood would do it, because aren't they meant to be for everyone, for all retail investors? And how can they just shut it down? But you know, that's what's happening. You should start watching videos on how to evade taxes. Yeah, that's for another day. Yeah, Bitcoin is pumping, guys. That's why XLM probably looking at a big movement here. And this is why I'm very wary on it, because Bitcoin can decide to dump and then we dump as well. So we're literally following Bitcoin, and now you guys can see here that we have these candles coming in. Interested to see what this third candle will do. 70 people watching, no way. That's another major support level, major resistance level that we've broken. Guys, I don't know why I speak like that in my videos, but let's see. I can't keep up with the chat, guys. I want to respond to every single one. Let's go. As Stellar goes up, more and more people join. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. I actually live streamed this at the perfect time, because this is a critical point. I've been saying this all day. This is a very critical point in the Stellar price chart. So it's good to see a lot of people here, guys. You know, if you're here, make sure you like and subscribe. You know, really helps the channel out. Anyways, you know, that's the thing. With XRP, right, I should have sold on the news of the SEC lawsuit, because I was up by a lot, right, and then bought back in after all the crash happened. That's another thing that I learned in this bull run, is to take your profits. Don't get greedy. Take your profits and look for a different entry after. Literally, because I would have almost made double the money that I made. It would have been crazy. So that's one lesson I learned, is to take your profits when you think it's time. Robinhood bringing back GameStop and AMC tomorrow. Is that true? Because if that's the case, then that's gonna be crazy. Alright guys, looks like you guys like the live streams, which I'm glad. I think I'll continue these. We need XLM streamers. Only one person streams XLM. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I think if that's the case, then I'll guess I'll start streaming more. I'll start streaming more, guys. That's fine. I'm actually more happy on live streaming than I am making the videos, because you know, when I make my videos, I make them really fast. I cut the amount of cuts that I do. I don't even let, when I breathe, right, when I'm reading the news and I'm breathing, I cut that breath out, because I don't want to waste you guys' time to hear me breathing. So this is fine with me as well. Other channels do challenge the viewers to buy certain crypto so you can all win or lose together. Guys, I'm just scared that I don't want to be accused of doing pump and dumps. Imagine we do a group buy and we decide to buy, like, I don't know, that's a bit, imagine, that's a bit crazy. I don't know. I'm 220% up Dogecoin. Wow, you must have had a great entry. The thing is, I should have just gone in Dogecoin. That's a regret of mine. Go to the 1 hour chart. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna clear the chat. Clear the chart. Is there a better button so I can just clear everything? Let me know if you guys know if there's a button to just clear everything. All right. Now look at that. That puts it into perspective, doesn't it? One large breakout from a triangle, another breakout. Hopefully we see something like this. But I'm happy now. We're sitting in this range. We're back to business. We're back on. We've broken. Look at this major trend. We're sitting in this area. This is an area which XLM loves to be in. $73 people watching, guys. If you could just like and subscribe, that would help us a lot. Oh my days, guys, I need to I can't respond to the chat. This is crazy, guys. I can't read all of them out, guys, because we'll be missing. I got rid of my XRP. XLM seems to be making big deals. That's the thing, guys, which was a very big attraction for me with XLM, right? Because XLM's making major moves. Okay, I say this a lot, but they are. That's the reality, right? Stripe, don't forget Stripe. They actually have a stake inside XLM Stellar. So why wouldn't they, right? Why wouldn't they try and help XLM out, right? Like, they can easily implement Stellar into Stripe, and you know how big Stripe is. So there's a lot of long-term potential, which, you know, we see these small crashes and we're like, oh, what's going on? But if you think about the technology and what you're investing in, then I don't think you'll be that affected by these prices, because you know that XLM is a very solid technology and it's scalable, cheap, cross-border payment solution. Like, it's got so many potentials, and it's only gonna it's only gonna become better. That's the thing. Right, I'm gonna read the chat a little bit. Okay, guys, we should make the Discord group. We should. In my next video, what I'll do is make an announcement. Hopefully, Baby Shark and me can sort out this Discord, and I'll give you guys a link and everything in my next live stream, I think. Resistance points for XLM, yeah, I'm just gonna mark them now. SEC lawsuit results might make XRP rocket. Guys, I was just talking about the day XRP is deemed, like, if XRP win the lawsuit, right, that will actually go down in the history books as one of the craziest days, because you'll just see, in my opinion, the price is going to go to $2 and even more in literally one day. It's going to be the craziest thing ever, in my opinion, because you have this thing which had the potential. I think Blockchain Backer was saying that it can go to $2. It was going to go to $2 like a few weeks ago, and it's currently sitting at like 21 pence, which is like around 30 cents, right? And if you see something which has been pushed and squeezed, it's like a ball. You squeeze it down, right? The more you squeeze it, the more, when you take your foot off, it's going to explode. And that's, I think, the perfect example for XRP. It's been crushed, and then when they take the foot off, the SEC lawsuit comes out, boom, it's going to absolutely explode. 80 viewers watching, guys. If you could just like and subscribe to the channel, that would help us a lot. Let's get to 50 likes on the stream. Let's go. Guys, this is a lot of green. Okay, guys, I'm gonna quickly stop responding to the chat because I know you guys want to build value here. So what I'll do is I actually forgot about the support levels that I actually marked, because I calculated the support levels, but I got rid of them because this is a brand new chart. But I think, if I remember correctly, this 32 cent level was a major support level, resistance level actually, and there was another one which I wish I had my old chart because I had it all planned out. But essentially, the next target for me at the moment would be this 32 cent range. Somewhere around here would be nice. Okay, let's go on Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin is not stopping, guys, and I think that's why we're seeing XLM go like this, because Bitcoin's not stopping, XLM's not stopping. Like, that's the perfect combo to see some mad crazy movements. Dogecoin is pumping. Let's have a look. You know what? Why am I using a coin market cap? This is Cardano, guys. It's actually come back and respected the trend line now. I'm interested to see what happens with Cardano here. We're on the verge of a very big breakout to this side or to this side. Very interesting times. But let me go and open the Dogecoin's chart. I bought Stellar. Congratulations. 10 minutes ago, Elon Musk. No way. Did Elon Musk speak about Dogecoin again? No way. Wait, let me go to Dogecoin. Okay. So this is, wow, look at this movement. 17% in just the past hour. A bit of consolidation and then another movement. Guys, sorry, I just need to read the chat, so I need to respond to you guys and also do this. $50 of XLM, they will blow once XLM rises. Yeah, I mean anything you can afford to lose, that's fine. No matter how big, profit is profit at the end of the day. Bottom left. Oh, okay, thanks for that. Can't believe I didn't see it. Guys, the thing is, right, I need to learn more about RSI and Fibonacci retracement. I need to see more about that. But guys, like I said, you know, you have to start somewhere. Tonight's gonna be a very long and happy night. Yeah, crypto's looking good. It's been a good day for crypto. Not for the stock market, but for crypto it's been great. Once we get the USDC circle announcement and it says it's live, it's gonna be, it can either be absolutely crazy and we see mad price action, or we can see a blip and then that's it. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, the amount of announcements that XLM has done, for example, that real estate bond that was released on XLM, I literally thought the price would skyrocket, but nothing happened. And that's why I'm wary, because I'm scared that the XLM, the USDC circle announcement is already tied into the price at the moment. And what might happen is that once it comes out, we might just not see anything with the price. That's just what I'm scared of. I hope it doesn't happen. If that happens, then it will be very sad, but I hope it doesn't. I hope the price absolutely goes crazy, because guys, come on, it's been a month. I want to see a bit more price action on XLM. We're in a bull run. Thanks for the 45 likes, guys, really appreciate it. Thanks for all the support on the stream. Yeah, really means a lot. 1st and 3rd February is going to be a very important meeting with all the wallet apps. Okay, I'll look into that a bit more. The thing is, I've been looking at the price so much today. I haven't had time to look at XLM Stellar news at all, so I'll be looking at that a bit more. Guys, we're doing good, guys. We're on 29 cents. We've had the confirmation on the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart, the green candle closed above this 28 cent resistance level, guys. XLM really gave us a scare here, because the thing is, the video that I wanted to make, right, about the price, after it rejected this level, look how many times it got rejected, right? So I had to make a video telling you guys about what might happen, because if something gets rejected this many times, then obviously, like, the chance of it absolutely going and dumping is a lot. So when XLM makes moves like this, it's just like, barely anyone can predict that. But I'm glad we're sitting above this. I just want the other 1 hour candle to close above this. Let me go into the 5 minute so we can see a bit more. Okay, guys, I'm gonna look at the tweet. I'm gonna look at the tweet. Dogecoin. Doge. Control Alt H, highs and unhighs. Oh, right. Okay, thanks for that, guys. No one. It's like 11 a.m. here, 11 p.m. here, and I don't think, like, it's too exciting to sleep. Like, I'm actually so interested to see what XLM does, because currently it's looking very, very good. Like, we've got the confirmation here. We're breaking out again because we saw something like this. Hopefully, we stick with this. Guys, just one more like and we get to 50 likes. Come on, we can do it, guys. There's 78 people here. We can get to 50. Yeah, guys, the stream, right, it's a bit delayed. I've noticed that I've tried to fix the stream delay, but unfortunately there's no way for me that I know of that I can fix the stream delay on. Guys, we need to hit 30, right? This is our major target right here. Guys, let me know if the music is too loud. What do I use to stream? I use Streamlabs, OBS. Guys, you see this major 30-cent resistance level? We're coming closer to break it. On the 30-minute chart, we're looking very, very good here. As you guys can see, broken through this trend line, which is the very important bit here, guys. Just to repeat for the new viewers here, we got 83 people watching. We can see this was a very major move that needed to happen, or else we would be testing the bottom of this triangle and then doing something like this, which would be very bearish. But we broke through it and we got rejected twice on here, which was very bearish. But then I think Bitcoin decided to make a move up, and as you guys know, Bitcoin XLM, they work together, and which has led to this movement here. Hopefully we see some consolidation, or even better, see something like this, break through that 30 cent, and we'll be sitting quite good, guys. So anyone who decided to make one of the most bravest trades, I would call it, anyone who decided to make an absolutely crazy trade and trust this support trend line so much, congratulations, you made 25% returns on your investment. Let me know if anyone did that. All right, thanks, Baby Shark. Let me know if I can make that better. I own 16,000 XLM. I hope this one goes to the moon. Yeah, in my opinion, it's imminent, right? It's imminent. The amount of partnerships, the amount of adoption happening. This is crazy. You would think something like this would happen, no? I don't know. This is what I see on the trend charts. A, B, C, D. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm sitting on 350 XLM. I just started when Bitcoin hit 50. I'm being hooked every day, guys. The thing is, right? I can't stop watching. Like I remember in 2017, I used to watch my portfolio every 5 minutes of the day. I was addicted. I was looking at the price. The price would move like literally 1%, and I would start panicking, and I'll be like, "Oh, what's going on? I wanted to moon. I wanted to go 100% up." And I've learned that literally, for your own mental health, do not just look at this every single day. All right, guys, let's look at the Cardano, because we're in a very interesting place here. Because we can see that there's a triangle here, and I'm interested to see if we'll do something like this or do something like this. Either it can be a major breakout or a bearish trend here. But anyways, let's go to the Bitcoin one really quickly. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is not stopping, guys. It's not stopping, guys. Look, it just keeps going up, and I think that's why we're seeing 25% up. XLM has gone up 25% since today. All right, guys, this is a very big moment coming here. We're nearing the. Look at this candle, guys. Look at this candle. Look at the volume I'm seeing here. Absolutely crazy. To think we were here trying to test this, and now we're almost testing the 30-cent level right here, guys. Everyone's getting hyped. Let's go. Everyone's getting hyped. Let's see if we can break through this 30-cent. We're on 92 concurrent viewers, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Let's see if we can actually break this 30-cent level. Guys, if I have to stay up the whole night just to see XLM go, I don't care, guys. As long as you guys are here watching, that's fine. We're almost on 100 concurrent viewers, guys. I can't believe it. All right, guys, we got 100 people, almost 100 people here. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. We're on 600 subscribers at the moment. You know, my aim was to get to 1,000 subscribers in 6 months, and we're on 600 in a month. So completely blowing out the target here, which is crazy. Guys, all my days, this is crazy. Let me go in the 1 minute chart here, guys. As you guys can see, very close. We're nearing it. This is absolutely crazy, guys. We're testing it. Let's see what happens now. Oh, look at that. We're above. We're going up. Massive selling pressure here. Massive resistance, as you guys can see here. As soon as we touched it, we're getting that selling pressure. Do I get in now at 29 cents? No financial advice. I can't, guys. I can't say. I can't give you any financial advice. Sorry. This is crazy, guys. I can't believe it. This was the perfect time to stream because major moves are happening at the moment, guys. If you could just hit the like and subscribe button, we're on almost 100 viewers, and as you guys can see, the first 1 minute candle has closed above 30 cents, and now we're seeing another candle forming. I don't own any Cardano because I'm waiting for a good entry at the moment. I wanted to get in, but unfortunately I couldn't get a good entry here. Now guys, as you guys can see, we're getting rejected from this. Massive selling pressure at 30 cents. $1,000 profit off Stellar so far. That's absolutely crazy. Guys, a lot of people are probably taking profits at this level here. 30-cent level. Guys, 101 concurrent viewers. We've reached another, we're going to the moon. Another major resistance level has been broken. 102 concurrent viewers, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go. XLM community here. The Moon Fund channel is pumping. We're funding our bags to go to the moon. XLM is pumping, and we can see a few red candles here, but you know, let's push through. Hopefully see something like this. Okay, let me just zoom out. Okay. Alright guys, you know, this is crazy guys. I can't even speak. This is absolutely crazy. We thought the XLM was going to go all the way down. We were thinking of different strategies, and now we're all the way up to 30 cents. We were almost nearing the 22-cent danger level. Guys, strong hands. That's all I'm going to say. No financial advice, but strong hands. We've got, in my opinion, a long way to go. Corey Smith, you're actually a savage. You're actually a savage. First timer here. Love XLM also currently up 353% on BTC long. That's what I love to see. Congratulations on that, guys. XLM, as you guys can see, Bitcoin is seeing a very large green candle, which has led to XLM also having a very large green candle here. We are going to the moon. I can't believe it. Okay guys, someone said Cardano is breaking. Let's have a look. Alright guys, this is a very guys, I don't know, I wish I could do a split screen, but essentially Cardano is almost about to break the trend line, and if it breaks through here, there will be a massive breakout, and it will be testing this major 36-cent resistance level. And if it can do the same thing it did, that XLM did, we'll be sitting in a very good position in XLM. And then after that, we can see a massive breakthrough for XLM, for Cardano here. Very interesting scenes here, guys. Very interesting scenes. As you guys can see, XLM, let's go on the 5-minute chart here to see what's going on. As you guys can see, the 5-minute, I'm just waiting for this 5-minute candle to close before it's going to close in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Hopefully, if this candle closes above 30 cents, that will be absolutely bullish territory, guys. We're making moves, guys. Stellar's making moves, crazy moves here. I think we started the live stream around here, guys. I think no, that's not even it, guys. We were streaming all day, guys. We were in this when the double rejection from the resistance level happened, and we thought that XLM would have a possibility of going all the way down, but you know, the complete opposite happened. Completely broke through the analysis, and we're sitting at around 30 cents at the moment, guys. Let me go on the 1-minute chat again. Two 7.5 million XLM transfers has been made to Coinbase. Crazy. Someone said, should they hold? This up to you. Your risk tolerance, everything's up to you, guys. We're on 112 concurrent viewers. We're on 117 apparently, guys. If you could just like and subscribe and show the XLM stream on the Moon Fund channel some support, that would be absolutely crazy. Let's go. This is crazy times, guys. Guys, so the first candle has broken through the 30-cent resistance level here. Now we're using it as support. Okay, let me read the chat, guys. I want to respond to you, have a discussion as well. Here comes this 15 million dump. Yeah, okay, another thing I wanted to add, guys, is we're getting excited about this, but is the crypto market, guys. So I would be very, but let's see what happens, guys. $123 concurrent viewers, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for the support on the stream. I'm sitting at 128 people watching the stream. Let's go to the moon, XLM. We've been talking XLM, guys. Just for new people who are coming into the stream right now, we're talking XLM. We're looking at the price. We started streaming all the way down here, and we've collectively getting hyped and getting XLM to all this level here. As you guys can see, 4 candles have closed successfully above the 30-cent level here. Let me just quickly look at Cardano, and you guys can see that we're looking, and it looks like we are breaking through the Cardano level here. This should be very interesting to see how high Cardano can go. Looking at the Bitcoin price chart as well, Bitcoin is also going ahead, and it's about to test this $34,000 resistance level, which is a major resistance level, as you guys can see here. If you can get above this level, we'll be sitting pretty. But again, guys, this is a very thing to be cautioned about, is Bitcoin did do something like this where it made a very large bullish upside trend, and then, you know, it broke through the 34k and then went straight down there. So again, be wary, but currently it's looking good. Let's see what happens if we can test it. Now, guys, we can see here that we might be actually using this 30. Okay, guys, massive dump there. Let's see what's going on, guys. I'm gonna read the chat as well. All these messages which are being retracted, are you guys deleting them, or are the people who wrote the messages, or are they just deleting them themselves? Because like, don't delete any messages, guys. Don't delete. Have 3.9k coins at 28 cents per coin. Let's go. Let's see what happens, guys. We've actually ate all that selling pressure up. This support at 30 cents has absolutely ate all that up. We saw another green candle here, close a green candle. This is a make or break critical point situation here, because now what we need to do is use this 30 cents as a major support here. Very exciting times, guys, because we need this 30 cents to be active and also helping us keep afloat. Where do I think XLM will go now? Well, essentially what I want XLM to do is currently hold this 30 cents, because we have a major resistance at 32 cents. That is our next target, but let's get through this first, because I am very, guys, you know, let me just zoom out. Anything can happen. We can also see a complete reversal here, so I just want to, you know, set you guys' expectations straight. Let you guys know that I'm just want to let you guys know the other side of the coin as well. Okay, let me look at Dogecoin, right? And then I'm gonna look at let's look at VeChain. Let's look at VeChain, guys. 135 people watching the stream. To the moon. Major support levels are coming in, guys. Thank you so much for watching the stream. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. But anyways, let's look at the VeChain price chart at the moment. Yeah, guys, I forgot that this was the 1 minute price chart, guys. It's not a massive dump. I just got a bit excited, got very excited on that. I'll change to the 15 minute chart in just a moment. What's going on here? Is this even the right chart? Alright guys, damn, this is a very interesting chart that VeChain has. Let me go in the 30-minute. There we go. Alright, VeChain, well, I can see that there's been a very solid respect for the trend line, which has been happening here. As you can see here, once, twice, 3 times. So that's looking good. It's on a bullish uptrend. It's making higher highs here, making a reversal here, but that's probably because of the Bitcoin situation as well. Let me actually quickly go into the XLM because I don't want to. Let me go in the 15-minute, 5-minute. Right guys, so we're seeing that we had a fake breakout where we got on top of the 30-cent support level, but now we're seeing massive selling pressure here. But I'm interested to see if we can do something like this, test it again, and hopefully the bulls will be successful this time. Okay, Matt, that's fine. Alright, the time currently on my stream, right, is 11:31 UK GMT, UK time. So the moment I said 11:31, that's the time here. So let me know what the time is for you guys, because I want to see as well how big the delay is. Alright guys, I'm just reading the chat. If it breaks 45 cents, then we're gonna go crazy, because I don't see any major resistances after that. Then that's like almost a price discovery mode, where we're exploring what happens next, because I don't see any major resistances after that. Guys, whoever's watching, okay, guys, how is it no delay? There's only 15 seconds. How is that possible? Like on the thing, it feels like it's like a 2-minute delay. How is that possible? That's like 15 seconds. That's absolutely crazy. Alright guys, let's see what's going on. I'm going to go in the 3-minute price chart here so we can get a little bit more. Okay, now the action plan is, right, we know we can get through this resistance level, right? We failed once, but the most bullish sign at the moment would be that we don't let this get us down, okay? We don't do something like this. A bullish sign would be retesting it again and again, and just literally, or doing something like testing it once, twice, and then, you know, here charging, fueling up for that massive movement upwards or something like that. Hopefully we can see that. Guys, thank you so much for all the support on the stream. We have 136 people watching the XLM, Stellar, Lumens price, and we're having a nice discussion here, guys. Man like Baby Shark is a tech wizard. You would like to see the 1-hour chart? Okay, I'll put the 1-hour chart. So you guys can see that we had, I think we started live streaming at this point right here, right in this area here, and we were talking about breaking this upper triangle, right? We saw this breakout happen, which completely invalidated the YouTube video that I posted today. I had to actually private that video because I was getting dislikes. I was getting comments on people saying your analysis is completely wrong, but you know, it's easy to say that your analysis is wrong after reality actually happens. Okay, so I had to private that video, and then we saw this double rejection from this 28 cent resistance level, and now in the stream we finally saw it break through after the fourth time, and now we're looking at hopefully breaking this 30 cent resistance level. Let's look at Bitcoin at the moment, see what's saying. And guys, look, Bitcoin has one red green candle, and then XLM, you know, decides to also have one. So if you go in a 1 hour chart for Bitcoin as well, it's coming closer to the 34k resistance level, and let's see what happens, guys. Let me just go back into Dogecoin. Dogecoin seems to be making another move upwards. What do I think XLM can get up to? Potentially at the end of the year around, it's going to be higher than, in my opinion, 60 cents. Has to be. In the short term, I would like XLM, because it's broken through this triangle here. I would like to get to at least 32 cents by tomorrow. That would be an absolute dream. That would be crazy if XLM can be, you know, sitting above this area. Because guys, if you look at this, right, XLM has been testing this 32 cent level for a while, and you know, it's just a number of, it's just at the end of the day, right, it's just a matter of how many times we can test and test again until that special time where we carry enough momentum, enough volume to absolutely blow through and go up. That would be crazy. That's what basically for short term I'm hoping for. And once we're up here, we're going up, we're going to the moon, in my opinion. But hopefully let's break through this major 30 and 32 cent level here, and then we'll see what happens. Guys, my voice is breaking because I'm speaking so much, but it's all worth it for the stream. Someone said 5 years XLM price. It would just be pure speculation. I like, probably in my opinion $5 or something like that, something crazy like that. All right, this is good, guys, because I want you guys to let me know as well, because I can make some mistakes as well. So rejection is not related with 30 cents. It is because of the XLM BTC parity. Okay, interesting. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know that. You bought some at 32 cents, so let's see if you can break through that. Let's see what happens here. Oh guys, is my music dead? Oh, my bad. Okay, music is back, guys. Music is back. Thanks for reminding me. Honestly, the bull run, I've seen a lot of things on Twitter, right, where people are saying the bull run is on its end, and sometimes I refuse to believe it, because I think we're currently in the middle of an alt season at the moment. I think we have a long way to go till the bull run ends, and I think if we give it till February, major announcements come in. I think February and March is going to be a very, very big day for XLM, big few months for XLM Stellar. Keep an eye on Bitcoin if he breaks next. Okay, yeah, no guys, it's good. Just let me know, yeah, and I'll keep on putting it on. If Bitcoin breaks through this, I think we will see an absolutely crazy move on XLM. I think Twitter's probably going crazy right now, because I know on Twitter people were dying for a massive move for XLM still, and I'm so happy to see this happen, guys. This is absolutely crazy, all the way up there, 30% move just in almost a day, guys. You bought it 32 cents, been waiting ages for it to break. Yeah, I think it will be absolutely crazy. Like, look at the volume, guys. The buying volume here is absolutely crazy. If it can be high, I'm actually so interested to see what will happen if we actually break through this, because I haven't really marked any, I haven't really seen any key resistance to support levels in between this range and the 41. So that 10-cent level, I honestly don't know what the possibilities can be. All I know is it's going to be an absolutely crazy trip, guys. 144 people are watching. If you could just like and get us to 100 likes, that would be absolutely crazy, guys. 100 likes on live stream would be crazy. So if you could just show some support on the stream, that would be crazy. Thank you so much. I know I said crazy a lot, but let's look at the chat. Yeah, that's a good point. Till the SEC announcement, which I think I saw somewhere, it was happening at the end of the February, on like in the 20s of February. I think it was like the 22nd or something that the lawsuit is happening, or like they're gonna go to court or something on that date. But I don't know if there's gonna be a verdict on that date. Cardano is stuck. Let's see. Okay, so we can see Cardano got rejected from this trendline breakout. Now let's see what happens now. Interested to see what happens here. We might move sideways for a little bit more, and then we might see a breakout. Let's look at Bitcoin. Thanks for getting us to 84 likes, guys. 150 people in the stream. Thank you so much for the support. When do you guys think Ethereum is going to shoot up? We can look at the Ethereum chart, guys. Dogecoin is absolutely going on a crazy one right now. We can see this is absolutely crazy, and again we had a few moments, few hours of consolidation. Now I think this is the Elon Musk tweet actually causing this. First time on your stream, let's get this XLM up a couple of cents. That's the plan, guys. Hoping to break through this 30 cent, but the thing is, guys, I'm already happy with this. Once we're above this 27 cent level, I'm happy, because XLM loves being here. This is a solid support level for us, so this is good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open a Ethereum chart. Guys, I think my laptop's about to explode, guys. Guys, you know what I do? Whenever I look at the chart, right, the first thing I look for is this. If it's actually following the trend line, and as you guys can see, that is doing pretty good. It's on a bull trend, it's on an uptrend at the moment. We did see this, but this was because of the very large Bitcoin crash which happened and caused a lot of the altcoins to break their trend level, which is fine. Almost all of them made a recovery from this. And this was an important zone which I was looking at, because this is a make or break situation, because if we break this, we're bearish. I think Cardano actually broke through its trend level the second time. I remember Cardano broke through it and it did something like this. So it still came back, but Ethereum kept strong. It didn't break, it did not disrespect the trend line, and now it's moving upwards. Now the major resistance is I think somewhere around, I think in the 1370 ranges. This is a major resistance, or even a bit lower, I think. Guys, I already marked this in a few charts before, so this is just like me doing it on the whim, because normally I look at it properly and then I put these in, but essentially it's testing this at the moment. Ethereum once, twice, 3 times, fourth. Let's see if you can still get this up above 1350. Let's go back to the XLM price chart, and let me put this into 5 minutes and see what's going on. I think we're gonna have a party tonight, guys. We're already having a party. We have 134 people watching the stream. This is crazy. I was looking into Compound actually. I was doing a bit of research on it. Looks interesting, but if you wanna change it to XLM, be my guest. Volume is 114% up. Yeah, volume's been doing. I looked at the volume earlier, and it's finally the volume that we're used to seeing, because at one point I was so worried about XLM because the volume was absolutely like dying off, and I was thinking what is going on, why is the volume dying down? And then one of my theories was because like at that moment we were sitting around 30 cents, right? And then the USDC announcement was about to come, and there's a lot of news about to come. The quarterly review was about to come, so I think we were at that point where people didn't want to sell because they knew news was coming, and people didn't want to buy because they thought that the news might cause a dump because the quarterly review was coming. So we were at that standstill where no one was buying and selling. That's what I think was happening. Guys, we're 7 likes away from the 100 like mark. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Thank you for the support. Okay, if you look at the ADA USDT on the weekly and compare to ICX USDT on the weekly, you'll know what to do. Matt, can you give me a bit more information on that, and then I'll do that straight away. No worries, Rich. That's what I'm here for. Just discussing with you guys on what to do. That's why I'm trying to read the chat. Okay, let me scroll up. I need to catch up with the chat. If I bought it 28 cents and it's at 30 cents, how do I calculate profit? So you do the percentage difference between 30 and 28, and that's how much it's gone up by. Of course, you need to take into account the fees that you paid and everything like that. Big rejection on the 30 cent. Yeah, absolutely. There's been a rejection here, but hopefully we can retest this level and let's see what happens. Be careful with Dodge. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was talking about earlier, where people bought at like 2 cents before as well in the last bull run, and then it went all the way down. They had to sit on it for 2 years. Once Elon tweets about XLM, it's over. Yes, absolutely. That's just gonna. I think someone who mentioned. I don't know if this was true or false, but they mentioned that XLM is working with one of the countries Elon is like basically like not managing, but one of the companies he's interested in or something like that. Guys, I can't even speak. Let me get some water. Yeah, I'll be right back. Yo, what is up guys? I'm back, refueled, short intermission, but we're back, better than ever. Let's catch up with the chat, let's see what's going on. We reached 103 likes guys, thank you so much for the support. Any update on Tron? You know what, there's a funny thing about Tron, because I had a very big bag in Tron in 2017 because I thought it was gonna absolutely explode, and currently it's a Bitcoin, so I'm just waiting for it to, you know, get back to life again. But the thing is, I never sold any of my bags in 2017 because I was like, there's no point for me to sell, because there's always a potential, the same way how Bitcoin in 2013 people sold and look what happened. So I never sold anything in 2017. Calvin, basically, I'm not a financial advisor, right? But essentially what happened was that Bitcoin has decided to make a very large move upwards, and XLM also loves to follow Bitcoin, and that is why we might have been seeing this move. But also it was because of this triangle that we were forming from the start of 1st January, and it was all converging into this triangle, and there was a potential possibility of XLM going all the way down or going up, breaking up, and you know, it decided to break up, and now we're seeing currently XLM trying to get out this 30-cent resistance level. Very exciting times for XLM, but we have been rejected from it, and we can see that Bitcoin does have a red candle here on the 1 hour chart, and this might be why as well. I can't find my ledger. Oh, that's sad. If you had a good amount in your ledger, that's very sad. Guys, I'm actually so tired, but I'm keeping the I'm still here guys. I'm keeping it ready, because obviously, like, it's not every day XLM breaks to 2 major resistance levels, and it's not every day we have 120 people in the stream. So it's crazy guys. I'm down to keep on streaming because it's late out here. We're going to the moon. The real resistance is at 32 cents. That's absolutely correct. 32 cents is a major resistance level. We can see it from the past as well, that we've tried to break through this a few times and we've been unsuccessful, and hopefully, you know, in the long term we can break through it. Best case scenario, honestly, in my opinion, that we break through this and we sit here for a bit, like fuel up, and then start testing this and breaking up and going somewhere to the moon, guys. Yeah, I think this might be because of the rejection from 34k of Bitcoin. I think I probably need to move this down there. Yeah, 34k resistance. It got rejected. Yo, I actually heard that something about like how I don't know if it's Ledger or like there's a company where sells like physical wallets for cryptocurrency, and a lot of people can like easily breach the data, and people have been getting like emails saying like basically they get the address and they start threatening them and basically saying we'll come and like do stuff to you if you don't give your balance to us and stuff like that. And that's a very scary thing, guys, because a lot of blackmail can happen with that. XLM always makes XLM always makes big moves at night, guys. This is actually messing with my sleep schedule, because when I'm about to sleep I just see XLM go to crazy new highs and like crazy like price movements, and then I'll either have to make a video on it or just stay there, look at the chart, go on Twitter and see what's going on. Yeah, trading is not for everyone. Like, it is stressful, guys. It is stressful. Yeah, no financial info. Okay. Thanks for the new sub, Willie. Thanks for the new sub. We're gonna hit 50. Yeah, guys, we are seeing a green candle here. Let's go at Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute, 5-minute Bitcoin chart, see what's going on. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. Look, you see a green candle, right, for Bitcoin, and you see a big green candle for XLM. It's all synced, and you'll probably see one. Okay, ADA not. If you go in 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm interested to see what happens with Cardano, guys, because this is like a make or break, where I want to see what happens. Can it blow up, go up? Guys, this is crazy. Look at Dogecoin at the moment. 3 cents. Guys, this is absolutely crazy, guys. Like, Dogecoin is entering price discovery mode currently. This is 28 January, right? %328 gains, guys. That is what you call a gain. That is what you call a gain. Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, let me look at the chat. I don't know if you have your stream set to ultra low latency on YouTube, but supposedly that gets. I haven't really dabbled into the YouTube settings. I've only changed the settings on Streamlabs. So next time when I stream, I'll change and I'll have a play around with that. Hopefully that fixes it. Yeah, last 2 breakouts happened at this time. Yep. Guys, we are preparing. Alright, guys, can you let me know, right? Can you guys let me know what minute chart you want me to put on? Because some people say 1 hour, some people. I wish I could do polls on this. Can I do polls? I don't know. Let me know what minute chart. Is the 15-minute chart fine? Guys, I think it's gonna be a very long night, guys. Like, it's midnight here, but if we continue to see action like this, I think we'll have to extend the stream, guys. Whoever's watching, if you just like and subscribe, really helps the channel out. We're on 600 subscribers the last time I checked, so I appreciate the support. You want 385 gains. I don't know. It's honestly, it's up to you. It's your risk tolerance, as you guys can see. Look at that. There's been a Dogecoin can dump at any time, guys. That's the thing. You need to be very careful. Guys, the thing is, right? How do I split the screen? How do I split the screen? Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not really well versed in this. I'll for next time, right? I'll be much more prepared, right? I'll be much more prepared. I'll have the split screen set up and everything like that. Okay, 15 minutes is a solid choice. Okay, glad. 141 people it says here. That's crazy. 15 minutes. Okay, it looks like 15 minutes is fine. 7 p.m. Hey guys, you're lucky. It's 7 p.m. You have a lot more way to go till you go to bed, right? It's midnight. This is my bedtime, but obviously, like, the crypto market is alive. We'll have to be here. Sleep is for the weak. Yes, sir. I almost put $350 into Doge until I found out it was a joke coin. How is the meme coin up almost 400%? You know, you actually answered your own question. Because it's a meme coin, that's why it's up 400%. No, the thing is, right, in my opinion, I'm not saying Dogecoin will dump, right? But if we look at the past, it has dumped. It has reached 2 cent level and it's completely come down. And it's just a bit risky in my opinion, but we never know, it might keep going up. This is the Bitcoin chart, guys. Someone I know hit 1 million on Doge returns. That is crazy. Wait, guys, I'm gonna try and do something. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split the chart. I'm gonna see. Guys, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. This is the worst time ever to try and work out trading view, but for the next stream, guys, I'll do that, right? I'll do that for the next stream. Guys, we are going on a crazy move right now. We've reached 31 cents. We're nearing the 32-cent mark. Guys, 122 people in this stream, 108 likes. Thank you so much for all the support. Let's go. Hopefully, YouTube doesn't decide to end my stream like it did last time. This is absolutely crazy. Let's see what happens, guys. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try. Yeah, guys, for the next stream, 100% I'll have the things side by side. Right, guys, we can see now, we that we have 140 people in the stream. We can see that Bitcoin is nearing and is about to test the $34,000 resistance level again. Let's see what happens here, and we can see XLM is moving its way. It's broken through this 30-cent resistance level. I'm interested to see what happens now. Can it maintain it? We did see a breakout here before, but now we're seeing a higher breakout, so hopefully now we can consolidate inside this area right here, and we can stay here for a bit until we make our next move for the 32-cent level resistance. And guys, look at this line that I made has literally, look how perfectly I predicted. I mean, it was a fluke, but look how perfectly that happened. XLM did exactly what I wanted it to do. This stream is awesome. I made 6% already, guys. Let's go. Everyone's gassed. Everyone's happy about the pump. This is crazy. The FOMO, guys, like if you think about it, right, someone who, like a new person, right, looking at the charts right now is probably seeing XLM, right, and they're like, what is happening? They'll be, and then everyone on Twitter is probably going crazy, like, oh, finally XLM is having its breakout, and they're going to look at XLM going up 25% in just a day, right, and they're going to be like, okay, I need to get on this. New investors are going to come in, FOMO in, and literally that is going to absolutely make the price go crazy. Guys, if you see other countries than Ukraine adopt Stellar for USDC, adopt Stellar, then that would absolutely hopefully get us to $1 very, very soon. Okay guys, we can see Bitcoin is nearing up. We're seeing some good volume here. Hopefully we can absolutely smash through this resistance at $34,000. And then hopefully XLM is nearing, the candle will close in 6 minutes, and if we can close the candle above the 30 cents, I'll be very, very happy, guys. What does moon mean? It means, like, you know, when you're on a spaceship and you're going to the moon, like out of the world, like out of Earth, it's like pumping to the moon. I genuinely like your stream. Keep it. You're only gonna go. Thank you so much, Chili Davis. Thank you so much for the support on the stream. I really appreciate that. Wall Street Bets is going bullish on Doge, AD and XLM. Where did you hear that? I'm interested to see. Guys, you guys are probably having major gains right now. Like, you guys probably have crazy gains at the moment. So congratulations everyone who's made gains, and congratulations everyone who bought at this price level and now is finally getting out of the loss. Guys, we're on 150 concurrent viewers. You know, if you like the stream, make sure you like and subscribe for more XLM live streams and content, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. My throat is absolutely going, but I don't really care because we're here. XLM is pumping right now. I can barely speak, but it's fine, guys. We're hyped. We're here. Let's get to and above 32 cents at the moment. This has been a very crazy movement, guys. This movement right here, I was not expecting, right? I was expecting more of a movement like this, a few retests and then breaking out, but I think because Bitcoin decided to have this move here, we saw XLM do that as well, and now we can see another green candle for Bitcoin forming here. We can quickly have a look at ADA and we can see, oh my days, guys, if you see this, Cardano has actually broke through this triangle upper boundary here, and now we can hopefully use it as support, and I think this might be a very, very big moment for Cardano if we can keep above this upper trend level here, because we might be looking at a very, very large movement soon for Cardano, guys, if you're interested in that as well, in my opinion. Let's quickly have a look at Dogecoin at the moment. This drop has been completely eaten up by different buyers, and this is almost not even a red candle anymore. This is the 15-minute chart, and let's see what happens with Dogecoin. As you guys can see, green candles are forming. Let's quickly look at VeChain at the moment. We can see that VeChain V chain. Let me just zoom into here. This is, let me go into the 15-minute chart. 165 concurrent viewers, guys. Let's go. If you could just hit that like and subscribe button, it would really help the channel out. We're on 600 subscribers the last time I checked. We're getting hyped, we're getting pumped up. And then let me just quickly go to Ethereum before I actually make my return back to XLM. We can see that this is a very important position for Ethereum here, because this is a major resistance level, which is the 1350 level for Ethereum, and we are basically testing it and going for the retest again, and hopefully this time we can break through this and come into these zones and then hopefully go for an all-time high again. Let me come to the XLM price chart again. Let me see, we have 2 minutes and 50 seconds till the candle closes on the 15-minute chart. Let me look at Bitcoin at the moment. We can see again, this is very exciting times. Let me just quickly go and read the chat before I get into this again. Thank you so much for 114 likes, guys. I really appreciate that. That's why I bought it plus 90%, even though it was in the green. The deal was mean. I like that. How high could I actually get? Another... Sorry guys, I'm just gonna skim the chat because there's so much I need to catch up on. I don't want to miss anyone's message. Wall Street pushing traders to crypto. Not gonna lie, that would be a smart thing to do, because firstly, people like companies like Robinhood can't cease trading. Is decent. You're supporting a decentralized technology, so I would be very surprised if Wall Street bets money comes into crypto. That would be an absolute game changer. And if they actually pick coins like XLM, then that's it, guys. I know what they did to the GME stock. I know what they did to the BlackBerry stock. Yeah, let's just if that happens, that would be an absolutely crazy time. I'm looking at the retest of Bitcoin at the moment. We can see that we're nearing this resistance level on the 5-minute chart. I am from the UK. Yes, I'm from... Yep. Guys, I need to look at Reddit as well. I need to see the updates which are happening. 164, we're going to the moon. 164 concurrent viewers, guys. Thank you so much for all the support on the stream. If you can just get me to 120 likes, there's a 6 more likes. We have 164 people here. If you just could get us to 120 likes, that would be an absolutely crazy thing to happen, guys. And now let me just switch the XLM price chart again. We have 45 seconds till the price till this candle actually closes on the 15-minute chart, and once this closes, I'll be very happy, because then we will know if this is an absolute false breakout, or we have actually successfully been updated to the 30-cent range. Okay guys, I'm going to read the chat again. I'm brand new to crypto trading. I mean, I think you probably go in at one of the best times that you could. Crypto does go 24/7, yes. Alex is 300 pounds up. Lovely to see. Congratulations on that. Hopefully guys, the stream should calm down. It should clear up in just a few seconds. Alright, I'm dropping frames. Okay guys, I'm gonna hopefully that's fixed by now. Hopefully the frames is fixed by now. Alright guys, let me know if the stream is fine now. I think The stream should be at a good level now. We should not be dropping any frames now. Let me know if it's fine. No worries, Steven, no worries. What do I think of XLM price at the end of the day? Well, it all depends whether we can successfully break this 30-cent resistance level here. If we can, then our next target is the major 32-cent, and I'll be happy in this zone for a few days. If we're staying in this zone for a few days, I'll be happy, because we've made major progress in just 2 days almost. You know, we were on the brink of saying that XLM is going to go down to around 12 cents, testing major support levels, to now having a very nice cushion at the bottom, which is great to see. Bitcoin broke $34,000, guys. This is absolutely crazy. I'm just looking at the chart right now. I was just reading the chat, guys. I was skimming the chat because I wanted to get all caught up. As you guys can see, Bitcoin has broke 34k. This is absolutely crazy, and now hopefully we should see some of that transition into the XLM price. And guys, not gonna lie, if Bitcoin can easily break the 34k, hopefully we can see some movements to break this 32-cent level here, guys. That would be an absolutely crazy thing if XLM is able to do that. But first we need to solidify in this new zone here, but I think that will be possible because Bitcoin has successfully broke the 34k resistance. But of course it can always be a false breakout, guys. Bitcoin can always do something like this, which it has done in the past as well. If I zoom out, as you guys can see here, that just a few days ago it broke through here, and then it made a whole reversal down here. Now it's finally back testing this level again, so I'm really interested to see if it can maintain this resistance level. Alright guys, I'm glad that the stream is fine now. Lots of people are gonna get rich. Yeah, a lot of people are investing in cryptocurrency this year. A lot of hype around it. Let's see what happens. Any other small stocks to jump into? This is not financial advice, but I'm currently in Argo blockchain. In my opinion, they have taken almost like a 40% or something like that decrease, but I think they're a very good company. They mine Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I think they mine Bitcoin. I think it's a very good company which I'm inside. I think it's a good, potentially 5x in my opinion, not financial advice. Alright, this meeting between 1st and 3rd February with MicroStrategy, I need to actually look into this a bit more because I did not know about this. Doge and XLM to the moon. Looks like it to me. Guys, we need Bitcoin to actually maintain this 34 level here. But as you guys can see, that we have successfully turned that red candle into a green candle. And if this candle, this 15-minute candle actually closes above the 30-cent range, I will be absolutely ecstatic because we would have broken major resistance levels today, which is great to see. Guys, can we just get to 130 likes? We have 162 people watching the stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more XLM content, more cryptocurrency content, and more live streams. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I'm glad the stream is fine now. The thing is, right, with Litecoin, I don't think people should just disregard Litecoin, because if you think about it, right, Ethereum has hit its all-time high, Bitcoin has exploded its all-time high, and now what's going to be next? Probably the cryptocurrencies in the top 10. Now Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, these cryptocurrencies, right, people are going to look, like new people are going to look into, and they're going to be like, okay, since Bitcoin and Ethereum are making so many returns, let's just allocate some more funds to these different cryptocurrencies. And we actually might see, in my opinion, in the future, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash actually pumping up. But that's just my opinion. Riot blockchain, right? Riot blockchain was quite good, but I think compared to Argo blockchain, I prefer Argo blockchain a bit more, because I think they're more profitable than Riot blockchain. I think Argo blockchain don't have any debt on the company as well, which is quite good. Are we going to break 32 cents? Let's try and close this candle above 30 cents, and then I'll be very, very excited to see where we can go from this, guys. We can see that Bitcoin is actually in a very, very big tussle with the 34,000 resistance level, which is crazy to see. Let me look at the V chain, because I've seen a lot of comments talking about V chain, guys. We can see the thing is, V chain is moving crazy, guys. Like, I've not seen a chart like this in a long time, guys. Like, I actually don't know what to make of it. Honestly, I think as long as we have these major support and resistance levels set up, which if you zoom in, we can see, like, we can see a solid support level that we're currently testing. So let me just, guys, I might be dropping frames. It just gave me an error. I don't know why it's saying that. So this is a major support level for VeChain, and I think if you can break this and help us support, I think we can look for a breakout. But if we get rejected off the support line and we come down, then we need to make sure that this trend line is actually able to support VeChain, because currently from what I've looked at, that VeChain needs to basically respect this trend line, and then hopefully we can continue this bullish trend. But if VeChain can actually hold on to this, we can see a slight movement upwards, in my opinion, guys. Let me just quickly look at the Bitcoin, guys. I'll do a more in-depth analysis of VeChain in a few moments. Let me look at this. Okay, so as we can see, Ethereum has now broken through the 1350 resistance level for just a few. This is the 1 hour chart, guys. If I actually go into the 15-minute chart, let's have a look. All right, we're about to close this candle. We have 5 minutes left. Let's see if we can break through this, and that will be an absolutely crazy thing to do, and we can maintain it, because you know Ethereum also has these very, very fake breakouts. 1, 2, and hopefully this is not the third time. Hopefully this time we see something like this. Let's go back in the XLM price chart. We can see, guys, we're on 31 cents currently. Let me look at Dogecoin, because I'm seeing a lot of hype in the chat about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is absolutely blowing away. We can see a few more green candles here. We're nearing the 4 cent level here, guys. Who would have thought that Dogecoin would go to 4 cents, right? Whoever sold at 2 cents, I mean, it's congratulations, you made a lot of profit. But whoever kept their bag and were absolutely fearless with diamond hands, well, there you go, you get rewarded with a almost 4 cent Dogecoin price level. Okay, let me look at Cardano. Okay, great. This is what I would have wanted to see. I told you guys that I wanted Cardano to break out this triangle and use this as support, and currently it's looking quite good, quite healthy, because we are showing some nice uptrend here, and I think a bit of consolidation here and then making a movement to actually test this very important 36 cent level would be an absolute dream. Because if you can see here, let me just zoom out, that in Cardano as well, guys, you might see a few frame drops, but apologies for that. But anyways, this zone we have tested a few times, and once we actually break through this level, I want Cardano to stay up here and use it as support. Guys, we're nearing the 32 cent level, about to challenge it. Guys, the stream, let me just fix the stream one sec. I think this should help a lot. Alright guys, I think the stream should be better now. Guys, Dogecoin is about to break the 4 cent level at the same time that XLM is going to test the 32 major resistance level here. Very exciting times. Bitcoin is currently sitting on 34.1k at the moment. It's on the resistance level and it's using it hopefully as a support in the future. Alright guys, let me know if you can, if my stream is all fine now. I think it should be fine. Yeah guys, the screen was frozen because I was shutting stuff down. Guys, we have 170 people watching the stream. Thank you so much for all the support. But I think the current my current stream is apparently having some issues, guys, but hopefully they should be fixed by now. Let's look at Cardano at the moment. Alright guys, we're in a very important place with Cardano. I'm just going to zoom in. And hopefully what I want Cardano is to break through this 36 level resistance, because this is a very, very harsh resistance level. Guys, if you look at Cardano, look at Dogecoin, guys. We're on 4 cents at the moment and now we're seeing some red candles here, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, let me know. The stream should be absolutely crisp right now. I've made some changes to the stream and we should be sitting quite good. No worries, take care. You are an absolute savage for buying Dogecoin 20 minutes ago, because everyone was like Dogecoin is going to go all the way down, but look at this, we're on 0.042. This is absolutely crazy, guys. I can't believe that I'm looking at this right now. 4.42 cents on Dogecoin. Guys, I'm just gonna have a sip of water. I'll be right back, and I'll do some changes with the stream as well, so it's much more smooth now. Yo, what is up guys, I'm back. Hopefully the stream should be in much better position right now. I was looking at the Dogecoin chart and I can see, I just literally saw that big red candle there. That was the funniest thing ever. That big, literally for 1 second it came down, but you know, it shot right back up, currently sitting at this level right here. Let me go back to the XLM price chart. At the moment we can see that we've actually comfortably stayed in this 30 to 32 cent range for a while now, and I think I'm confident in saying that we have successfully done the retest here, and I think we should be floating in this area for a while now until we hopefully charge up for our breakout to the 32 cent level. But hopefully, let's see what happens now. The thing is guys, it's all about your risk tolerance about Dogecoin, right? Like at the end of the day, if you're not comfortable with holding your bag for this long, then just take some profits, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion I would take some profits out. Whoever bought Dogecoin 20 or 40 minutes ago is an absolute savage. Like, buying after Dogecoin's already gone up 200% is like, that's absolutely crazy. Like, that is crazy. Okay guys, it says I have an excellent connection now. Hopefully you guys are not seeing any dropped frames or anything like that. I just like closed a few, I had so many tabs and like windows opened. I just closed all of them, fixed up some things, and I think it should be all good now. A good viewing experience for the audience. However, we've been streaming for 3 hours now. This is the second stream of the day. I streamed for around 4 hours earlier, which is crazy as well. And I can't believe, guys, do you really think that all this has come from Elon Musk's tweet? That is absolutely crazy if that's the case. Like, the power Elon Musk has on his Twitter account is crazy. Imagine if he talks about XLM, stellar lumens. Look at the amount of, oh my days, I don't even want to imagine what will happen if Elon Musk talks about XLM. Sorry guys, I'm very tired, so you might see me tripping over my words, but that's fine. We're here in a historical moment because currently Bitcoin, I honestly think that is being, this key indicator here is telling me that this is the main point right here. If we can close another candle in this $34,000 range, we should be good, and using it as a proper support level, which hopefully should help XLM Stellar break through this 32 cent level here. I'm excited guys. Yeah, XLM, I haven't seen it move this much in probably a month after the Ukraine news, which is finally good, because then this chart was getting very, very boring, and I'm really excited to see a bit of movement, a bit of volume increase. Dogecoin is just stuck in this loop here. I'll be very interested to see what happens when the candle closes, because currently it's a proper like a tussle between bulls and bears at the moment. Imagine if XLM goes all the way to 6 cents today, guys. That would be crazy. Bitcoin is tussling as well. XLM is properly, if in my opinion, I honestly think if XLM can break this level here, these will be very exciting times, guys. If it can break 32 cents, then this will be very, very big. I'll be very interested to see what will happen after this, but of course that is a very, very hard thing to do, and of course we need a lot of volume to actually get over this, because this 32 cent, we have tried to break this level many times. If you zoom out, I've showed you guys a lot as well that this is a major resistance level for XLM, and you know, there's a lot of selling pressure here. So if we can actually break through that, that would be absolutely crazy. Bought $500 more XRP last night. Was debating getting into XLM. The thing is, right, like for example, people like Blockchain Backer and a lot of people at the XRP community, and honestly I hold XRP as well. I think it's a very good asset, right? I think it's a very solid asset. And like I don't know if you were in the stream when I described it, I literally said that it's like a ball which someone is literally putting a foot in, and the more they're going to put pressure to the price, the more they're going to decrease the price, right? The more they're going to push the price down. When they let the foot go from the ball, it's going to absolutely explode. So, you know, at the end of the day, you want to make as much return as possible on your investment, right? And then that's up to you what you think your strategy is on that. No worries, Matty G, thanks for tuning in for the stream. Guys, I can't believe I missed out on this Reddit pump, because I've been live streaming. If I knew about this Reddit pump, I would be on it. I'm just having a look at Reddit right now. Right, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Guys, this is crazy. I can't believe this is happening. Okay, we're looking at, on the 5-minute chart, a bit of resistance at the 34k level. Let's see if Bitcoin can bounce back from this. Hopefully something like this. Guys, we have 142 people in the stream. That is absolutely unbelievable. Thank you so much for all the support. You know, it's 1 a.m. almost, and I'm here doing the stream. Thank you so much for the support. This is a crazy time for XLM and the crypto market. Dogecoin is making new all-time highs. It's in price discovery mode at the moment. XLM is breaking through major resistances, and it's almost about to break the 32 cent main resistance level that we were talking about earlier. And if it actually breaks the 32 cent resistance level, this will be very big for XLM. But currently I'm happy because we broke through almost 3 major resistance levels, and now if we continue floating in this area and we can use the 30 cent as a massive support level, that will be great, and I'll be very happy with XLM. And you know, that move that we did, if we actually zoom out, is all that I wanted XLM to do, right? Because if XLM didn't do it, then we were looking very like, guys, look at this breakout right here. This is an absolutely crazy breakout. 50% gains right there. If you had hands of steel and you decided to go in here, but you got rewarded for it, because on the other hand, we were testing the trend line many times and we were getting rejected. And over here as well, we tested it twice, 3 times, and at that point we were looking at, you know, breaking down to this 22 danger level, because after this, whenever we went through 19 cent and we broke through this, we went on a very long bearish trend, and I was very scared, so I decided to make a video on this, but I had to private that video just after 2 hours because XLM decided to absolutely break through this triangle convergence of the price, and now currently we're sitting at, oh guys, I just deleted every single thing. We're back. Okay, so currently we're sitting at 31 cents. Very happy with this. Let me just delete, make the chart a bit cleaner. And if you can just continue this uptrend, if I just draw a few lines here, this is what happens when you start analyzing charts at 1 a.m. You start drawing random lines which don't make any sense, but let me just read the chat. Let's see what's going on. So we're selling. I mean, that's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. Guys, ignore these lines. I'm just playing around. This is not technical analysis. I'm just playing around. Let me just look. Alright, so XLM is number 2 spots up from 12 to 10. So we're finally back in the top 10, guys. We were in the top 10 for ages, and we actually lost that spot. Chainlink overtook us, and then Binance actually overtook us as well, and now we're finally back in the top 10, which is very great to see. Guys, if you can just hit 140 likes, that will be an absolutely crazy thing, and make sure you subscribe for more content as well. Thank you so much for the support. Let me just look at Dogecoin at the moment. We can see that this red candle did not have much effect on Dogecoin at all. Like, normally these were probably the panic sellers who completely dumped and took their profits because they thought it was going all the way down. However, the bulls are here, they're pumping it, and currently we're in the same stage that we were here, where we had this massive increase, and then we moved sideways a little bit, and then we made our move again. So I would expect something like this, and then again, if Dogecoin has it in it, we should see something like this, in my opinion. However, currently Dogecoin is looking like it might just make a move up like this, but you know, we'll see what happens with that. Let me look at Bitcoin right now. We can see that Bitcoin has made a solid progress since the last time we saw it. It's currently floating at around 34.1k. It's maintained this, and it's actually using a 34k support resistance as support at the moment, so it's looking good. Bitcoin is finally back at 34k, guys. We went all the way down to around in 29k, 30k, and now we're back at 34k, which is great to see. Essentially now what I want is, this is the real test right now, guys, because a lot of the times we have false breakouts where essentially we break out, everyone thinks, yeah, we're going to the moon, but we decide to come back and test this very important, you know, resistance support level here. And if we break through this, then we will lose a lot of progress, and it will be a very bearish sign for XLM. So hopefully what we see is something like the retest happen, and then we use it as support, and then we, you know, fuel up for a bit more movement and break it to the upside and break through this resistance level, and then hopefully do something like that. But you know, we'll see what happens here. Guys, looks like you're in it for the long run then. I just got into crypto at 18.9k BTC. Congratulations, you almost doubled your money. Put Dogecoin on with buy and sell, Gabriel. Guys, let me know if the music is too loud. Guys, you know what the crazy thing is? No, actually, I drew that after it happened. I thought I drew that before all this happened, but yeah, I'm not that crazy. I'll wait when XLM goes to $1,000. Yeah, I think that is very, very. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything in case it happens. Wait, Gabriel, let me know what you mean by have a buy sell next to the chart. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. We're 2 likes away from 140 likes. That would be amazing if you can get to 140 likes on the stream, guys. Thank you so much. Strong hands, guys. No, not financial advice. Guys, Bitcoin is looking healthy. It's floating around the 34k range. I'll be monitoring this for a little bit more, but this is the very important thing here where I want XLM to have a retest and get that acceptance that we're, you know, definitely in this range now. Only mode I have is HODL. Yo, what's up, Kevin? Welcome to the stream. Okay, thanks for telling me that it's 60 on the RSI, which means it might have some way to go then. Yeah, 25 and 75 on the RSI. I've been learning something about RSI, so I've been doing a bit of research. I need to get into it a bit more. Yeah, not gonna lie, guys. In my opinion, right, in like a year's time, we'll just be laughing at this crash and be like, do you remember when we wanted XLM to go to 32 cents? Like, that's what I think will happen, right? This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. And we'll be like, oh guys, remember when it was like 32 cents and we were so scared? Hopefully that's like the dream, right? Imagine in 2 years it hits $1 and then we're just sitting and thinking about this 30-cent level. That would be absolutely crazy. Okay. Oh my days. No way. Will this work? I don't know what I just did. What's happened here? Guys, I'm gonna play with this after the stream, right? And then for the next stream, I'll have all this sorted out. It'll be nice, clean. Dogecoin is looking to make a very, very large move again. Yeah, it's very late. It's almost 1 a.m. guys. Apologies if I'm slurring my words a bit, but I'm very tired. But let me just look at what Gabriel was saying. Near candles, buy and sell. Let me. Okay. Is this what you wanted? I don't know. Is this what you wanted? I don't know. Guys, I have 147 likes. Guys, I said I wanted 140, you gave me 147. So since you gave me 147, why not just break the 150 likes resistance level on the chart, on the live stream? Sorry guys, look, I'm just going crazy guys because I'm so hyped. It's 1 a.m, I'm sleepy. But anyways guys, let's keep the momentum up. Let's get to 32 cents on XLM. We're monitoring Bitcoin. Bitcoin's having a large move. Guys, this is all going crazy. You're looking at this move right here. We're breaking through this major resistance level. And now let's actually see where the next target is. Now, let me zoom out. Actually, let me Control Z. Right guys, the next, once we come in this zone, we'll be Gucci, and then I'll be interested to see what happens. But currently I'm looking for this false breakout here, which has happened before as well. Guys, I'm just gonna catch up on the chat here. How hard is it to have high-speed internet installed on a private island? Guys, we have reached 150 likes. Thank you so much. We have achieved our goal for the stream, and now you know what we are. We're in the like discovery zone right now. You know how we say the price discovery zone? We're in the likes discovery zone right now. So you know, let's just go to the moon with that. But anyways, I'm just reading up the chat guys, seeing what's going on here. Thank you so much for all the support guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. BMAC, you're a big boss in this. You're taking full advantage of the crypto market. Yeah, currently I'm trying to you know, every day I learn more and more about the charts and everything else. Viewers and likes 1-to-1. That is what I like to see. That is what I like to see. Yeah guys, I think it's not updated for me. I think it takes a while for my likes to update. But anyways, that's crazy, guys. Thank you so much. Let me quickly look. Yeah, guys, the best thing you can do is just like do your own research. Okay, don't just follow like watch one video on something and then just go in without any research. Just everyone just do your own research. None of this is financial advice. I did my research. I found Argo blockchain as a stock. I quite like it. And I think honestly it's just doing your research, finding what's good, what you think is good. Like for example, XLM Stellar, I quite like it because of the partnerships, and I know that the technology is very solid. Partnerships, all the partnerships that are happening, and you know the potential of the project. That's why currently I quite like XLM. Guys, thank you so much for everyone who stayed in the stream since we started streaming. Like, guys, honestly, that is absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for, you know, staying in the stream, supporting the stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Can we get some different music? You know what the funny thing is, right? I never thought I would stream for this long, so I just literally have a 40-minute no copyright music video that I just keep on repeating every single time. let me find something. Let me see if I can find something that I can play. But like, I'm gonna be testing it on stream, so it might not be the best. Alright guys, I'm just looking at it. Alright guys, your ears might blow because I haven't set the volume yet. So okay, I've set the volume now, so it should be good. Let's see. Oh my days, this is absolutely nah. Guys, what I'll do, right, I'll find some more music for next stream as well, because yeah, I never thought that I would be streaming for 3 hours, and so like yeah, I understand how the music can get a bit tedious. That's just so funny. Okay. Alright guys, what do you think of the music? What do you think of the music, and is the balance correct? Like, is it too loud, too low? No, honestly, Will, after you listen to the same music for 3 hours straight, it gets a bit Guys, I'm gonna read up on the chat. Yo, Matt, Iron Rebug is doing work as a mod, and Baby Shark, you guys are doing work as mods. Look at that from that's great to see. Chili Davis, thank you so much for tuning in the stream. Hopefully I should be streaming tomorrow if we see a lot of action, but I'll let you guys know. I think if we make the Discord group and you guys you know, join on that, then I can just keep you guys updated on what's to come. Alright, okay. Alright, let's actually follow Baby Shark's recommendation. Oh my days, guys, I just had a heart attack. I thought I ended the stream by mistake because I opened the link in the same video that I'm streaming in the same tab that I'm actually streaming in, and I thought the stream ended, but it looks all good. Stellar price prediction in 24 hours. If we can maintain this bullish trajectory, if Bitcoin is bullish, we should see us breaking hopefully this 32 cent, or at least test it properly. Baby Shark, your link doesn't work. It says something went wrong. Wait, let me try this. Baby Shark, that means a lot. That means a lot. That means a lot. The thing is, right, the main point of this is just to have a chat with you guys, just literally have a discussion, because we all like XLM. Get you guys involved in everything. I don't want to, that's why I never ignore the chat, right? I make sure that I read almost every single message as best as I can, because you guys type that message, right? Like, why would I ignore it? Like, I would, as best as I can, love to read all these messages, all this discussion happening. Sometimes, you know, it's hard for me right now to catch up, because, you know, when I go quiet, I'm actually like reading the chat, seeing what's going on. How useful are the white pages when researching? Very, very useful. That's probably like one of the first things I look at, the white paper, and then I move on to see if they have an actual working prototype, or if they have something in the works. I look at the roadmap, and then, you know, look at the staff, their background, what's happening with the staff, the community. All that can give you a very good, just that alone, right? Of course you have to do a lot more, but all that alone can give you a very, very good idea. Appreciate that, Big Mac. B-Mac, my bad, B-Mac. Yeah, you can tell I'm hungry, but essentially, guys, I'm just gonna give you a rundown again. let's go on Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening. So currently we're testing the 3.4 again on the 1 hour chart, and 47 minutes till this closes, right? So what I want currently in the 47 minutes is for this to turn into a green candle and do something like this. And I don't want Bitcoin to go back here, right? I want Bitcoin to come on top of this and use this as a major support level for the future, because I feel like if we see a false breakout here, it can ruin a lot of progress that XLM has been doing here. Now guys, like I said before, that we are nearing our very important place here where we will be testing this 30-cent support level to basically confirm if it is solid enough to help support us to actually make headway and break this target of 32 cents. And this is a very major resistance level, because if I showed you guys earlier that XLM price has tried to break through it a few times and it hasn't been able to. It only broke through it once, and that was when the Ukraine news came out and we went all the way up to 44 cents. Good vibe, appreciate that. That's the goal. We need some moon music, guys. Not gonna lie, yeah, for next time, for situations like this, I think we need hype music. So if someone can give me a non-copyright hype to the moon music, I'll play on the stream. I'll play on the stream. XLM to the moon. Bro, make something to support you. Okay. All right. What I'll do is I'll set up something. What do you guys want me to set up? Like, I don't know. I'm new to YouTube. I don't know how to do set up something for support. The community involvement in this chat and the back and forth. See, that's the thing, right? Like, whenever I go in different streams, right, people just ignore the chat, and at the end of the day, right, everyone here made a conscious decision, right, to come in the chat, talk, discuss XLM. Now, why would I completely ignore? Like, for me, that doesn't sit right. That's why I try and answer as much as I can. Okay, let me click on this link. It keeps on saying, oops, something went wrong. I don't know why it does that. Wait, let me copy this, right? Alright, it worked. Okay. Baby Shark, this better be some good hype. There's better be some good hype to the moon music. Guys, it's like I'm back in 2012. Baby Shark, what is this? What is this? What is this? This is the best you could come up with. This is absolutely shocking. I'm sorry guys, this is not good. This music I have to skip. No, I'm sorry, Baby Shark, this is a wrap. My guy, this is not it. This is not it, my guy. Let me see. Oh my days, guys, this is absolutely shocking. I think we have to go back to the lo-fi, and I'll have to spend a lot of time getting a good no copyright high playlist, because this is absolutely shocking, guys. Maybe potentially a move like this, but who knows. Let's see what happens with that. Yo, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I bought 800,000 Doge coins yesterday. Once it becomes $5, I will retire at 24. No way is that. If you did that, that is absolutely crazy. Yeah, no. Honestly, BMAC, like I've noticed it's a lot of work. I have to keep on looking at different things all at once. You're right. Why is 30 cents such a hard resistance for XLM? Okay, so if we zoom out, we can see that this 30-cent resistance level, we've been rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times in the past, since that big move upwards, right? So this is very important for us to break through it, because once we're on top of this, we don't have many resistance levels till the 44-cent range. So that's why it's such an important resistance level which we need to break through. Could you tell us about the breakout? Um, well, to simplify everything, it was because Bitcoin decided to move up, and as you guys know, that XLM Stellar follows Bitcoin a lot. We saw this big movement here, and also it might be because of the whole situation where Wall Street Bets is coming into it, and now people are looking at crypto because companies like Robinhood can't stop them from buying stuff. Crypto is like decentralized and all that, so that might have caused the massive shift in the crypto market today. But that's all speculation. Can I pull the GRT chart? Sure. Would it make sense to buy more now? It's up to you and your risk tolerance. Um, Not gonna lie, I've not really looked into GRT that much. However, seeing a very large movement here. So it looks like this is a major resistance level, which is the high. Let me actually, what I'll do is after this stream, I'll actually look into GRT a bit more and see what's happening. But it's great that you broke through this major resistance level here. Hopefully it can, hopefully break through or consolidate in this area and then plan out, fuel up for a big launch. But this is also, like, I haven't researched much about it. This is from what I just see here. Let me go back to the XLM chart. Okay, guys, this is a very key moment now, because we've actually tested the 30-cent support level, and I'm just waiting to see what happens now. Do we break or do we get pushed up? Yeah, Dogecoin currently has a low volume, right? So potentially we could see another move just like this happen again like this, but the market, they need to refuel at the moment, so let's see what happens. Guys, the music's back. The music's back, guys. Yeah, guys, we're on 158 likes, right? If we can get to 165, that will be a new zone in the price discovery area that we're in at the moment. It'll be absolutely crazy, guys. But anyways, now trying to accumulate on the dips and asking if you should buy more or not. It's completely personal decision. Yeah. Personally, I'm a bit scared of buying at the moment. I need more information on what's happening now. In my opinion, the time to buy was in this area right here. When you look at these support levels, but yeah, it's your choice. I'm not a financial advisor. People who bought the dip are currently experiencing from massive gains, so congratulations on buying the dip. And you actually put it in practice. It's easier said than done, guys. Buying the dip is a lot easier said than done. So guys, it looks like we actually successfully were supported from the retest. Now let's just see what's going on. I'm a bit wary on this. Alright, Baby Shark, thank you so much for staying in the stream and sending up the Discord. I'll reply to you right after the stream. How does everyone feel about Link? I quite like Chainlink, but currently I haven't really looked into it that much. I'm more looking into Cardano and another coin. Actually, I'm quite interested because we have 136 people here, right? Who knows about Atom Cosmos, the DeFi coin? I think it's a DeFi. Atom Cosmos. If you know about it, let me know, because I have a confession that I FOMO'd in and I went completely against what I tell, which is do not chase green candles. I FOMO'd in, I bought it at its all-time high. So, you know, it happens. I haven't done it in a while, but it happens. I FOMO'd in. Currently I'm suffering from a big loss, but let me know if you guys know about the coin. Where can you see my chart? I'll try to publish this chart. I've never done it, but I'll publish it and I'll let you know. Good OG music. Well, you know, the OG music, it has to live on, guys. For the rest of the stream, it has to. I'm glad I go into XLM was 12 cents. Yeah, that's a very great buy zone. XLM's last two triangle breakouts went up nearly 200%. Yeah. However, I think that was the news as well. Guys, currently I'm really looking at this at the moment because I really want this to give us a very good bounce back like this. But we shall see. Only a few minutes to go. Okay, so we can see here that 34,000. We tested it once on Bitcoin, failed, tested it again. Let's wait for this candle to close. Let me go in the 30-minute and see what's happening. Hopefully Bitcoin can prepare for a retest, or we could do something like this, or we shall see. This is a very important moment. What's your XLM prediction for 2021? In my opinion, I think if the bullish trend is continued, XLM keeps on doing partnerships, XLM keeps on making like all these big moves as well, I think we can safely say, in my opinion, we can get to around 60 cents to $1, maybe more. I'm being very conservative, because I rather XLM, I say 60 cents to $1 and it goes a lot higher, but in my opinion around 60 to $1 range. I think $1 by February. We'll have to see. Let's see how much of an effect USDC has at the moment, because I'm kind of scared that the USDC news is already tied into the price of XLM, and what will happen is, if that's the case, that when USDC actually comes out, that we won't see much of a difference in the XLM price. So that's one thing which can happen, which I hope it doesn't. Because then we'll be able to see XLM absolutely go ballistic if it's not being tied into the price. Nearly sold 18k XLM yesterday. Wow, you would have. What did you? You must be so happy, James, that you didn't sell. You're making major gains at the moment. The volume is crazy. Wait, are you talking about the music volume or the chart volume? 4-hour chart, absolutely. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, everything still looks quite good. There you go. We just need to break through this, guys. Look how far we came, guys. Look how far we came. What did you FOMO in on? It was at Atom, ATOM, Cosmos. It was not like Dogecoin. I almost FOMO'd in Dogecoin this morning, and I didn't, because I thought the same thing that happened with Atom would happen again. And you know, turns out if I actually FOMO'd in this morning, I would have probably tripled or doubled my money. So you know, it works both ways, guys. If you FOMO in the right time, you might make a lot of money, but if you FOMO in at the wrong time, you might lose a lot. So you can't predict these things, guys. I started with €800 account a year ago. It's 4k now. Congratulations, that is mad. 400% in, actually more than 400%, 500% almost in a year. As soon as XRP gets cleared, it will be hyperdrive time, guys. I can't wait for the day that XRP wins the lawsuit. If they win the lawsuit, that day will go down in the history books, and we will see something crazy. Like once like Coinbase and all these exchanges, they allow trading for XRP again, it will be crazy. It needs to break to 0.32. Yeah, that's the main target at the moment. We need to break the 32 cents. We need to convince the people at Wall Street bets that XLM is a meme coin, and they'll pump it. Yeah. Is 2,500 enough to invest in XLM? Honestly, invest whatever you can afford to lose. That's all. I always say this, guys. Okay, yeah, sell volume on the book. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright guys, we can see that we are on a slight downtrend. We've got rejected from the 34k price resistance for Bitcoin on the half an hour chart. Let me quickly go into the half an hour for XLM. You can see it's not looking very pretty, guys. I did say this was a possibility that we can do a false breakout. I told you guys this, we can do a false breakout and decide to have a bear trend going here. But now the thing is, guys, we have this very major support in our hands now. So even if we decide to break through this and not come back up, we have all this space to be in, because XLM, if we zoom out, XLM loves to be in this zone. If I actually zoom out, so XLM loves being in this zone here. So you know, these are the zones where it gets a bit scary, right? These are the zones where it gets a bit scary. So I just wanted us to get away from this as fast as we can, and we did, thankfully. Hopefully we can maintain this.